Good morning, gang. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? What it do, Danny? That boy Danny up late. I'm up late. You're up. Well, Danny up early. I'm up late. Because I'm usually up at this time. And I guess I'm late. Danny's usually not up this time, so he's early. Ezekiel. What it do? What it do, Weedy? What it do, Peter? What it do, Shakur? Arnold? Almond? Quartek. My boy Quartek. He been dying for having a stream. Now we here. Boys, we've had a problem recently in these last few days. Well, our last stream gave us 2 copyright strikes. We have 2 copyright strikes. We have 2 strikes, like literal real strikes. Not that they just take down my video for putting music on. As we got strikes up the ass where they telling us, hey, you put another goddamn strike. If you get another strike, your channel's up for being terminated. That's what I was informed by the YouTube team. That my channel is up for termination if I get one more copyright strike. So I had to do copyright school twice for each copyright, right? Which is just like basically like a little thing where they teach you about no way we hit take profit already, boys. No way we hit take profit already. I don't even have my phone on me. Boys, I did not think we'd get take profit this quick. Am I tripping right now? No. Anybody in this trade right now, boys? I called out a trade. And what's funny is that I meant to call it out for my private VIP. I meant to call it out for the VIP members. And my dumbass accidentally called it out for the fucking... I called it out for the admin signals. Like for the free... I called it out accidentally on the free channel. Buy 184,800. 185,150. So 185,800. Stop loss was at 184. No. What am I doing? I'm so confused. What's my signal? 184,800. 185,150. Yeah, 185,150 is right here. Well, stop loss 184,500. There you go. Stop loss was at the bottom of this wick. Wow, that was ridiculous. I actually sent the signal and hopped into the shower thinking, all right, when I get out the shower, we'll be in drawdown or we'll be somewhere and I'll be able to come to the stream. Well, it looks like we're going to call out another trade live, boys. Nonetheless, I haven't even seen the chat. Where's my... I'll put this on my other screen. Oh. Was waiting for the retracement because I missed it. Yo, what's good, fam? Did you take it with my accounts? I'm pretty sure your account was in the sell, and then at this time I did not want to hop into the buy because it was like felt like if I would just be completely catching a sell and then just trying to catch a buy. So I caught sells and bought. The bot caught sells. There was a whole bunch of sells caught to date on majority of accounts. If anybody caught sells on their accounts recently, a whole ass fucking... Yo, Miguel's popping off. Miguel is popping off. That's... You know when Miguel goes through like those good winning streaks and he just wins and he just wins? Yeah, yesterday and today are one of those days. The dude just doesn't stop fucking winning. And he pushes it. He pushes it like a motherfucker. Right now he's up 12.5K sales. And I'm one of those, dude, yesterday, I don't know if Miguel's up or not. Hopefully he's not. I got so pissed. He was up like $11,000 plus on one of our main clients, the first client that we've actually ever had that we've gotten already like 4 or 5 payouts with, and the $10,000 payout and the $4,000 and the $6,000. This time Miguel got up to $12,000. We're like on a 6 payout. And yesterday Miguel Miguel, yo, so you're up around 10, 12K, right? He goes, yeah. And he goes, I don't want to talk about it though. And I go, what does that mean? And he goes, I lost it all. And I look at him with, dude, I haven't even talked to him since. This was yesterday, like at fucking lunchtime. I haven't seen him in like 24 plus hours. Oh, and now he's up another 12K on the account. Another 12 point something. Hold up, I'm being called by my girlfriend. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Hello? What's up? Danny, me. I mean, Diego's talking. I don't know. It's me. Nobody's down. ¿Por qué? No hay nadie acá. All right, babe. I gotta go. I'm on stream. Let me see. Ezekiel sent me something. Oh, Ezekiel was in that buy. He said, man, stops the break even also, bruh. Va a revisar a la casa, bro. Ve a revisar la casa, bro. Bro, mi novia cree que mi casa está fucking haunted. She thinks that we live in a haunted house full of ghosts. So she's always like, yo, who's downstairs? Who's out here? Who's up here? I'm gonna put music on right now. Voy a poner la música y todo. I'm gonna put music on. Just the thing is, I'm not sure about, like, you know, if you put non-copyright music, sometimes it's actually copyrighted. So therefore, yeah, therefore, I don't know what the fuck I was gonna say. I need to make sure I actually get a real non-copyright lift. Yeah, it's fucking the Drake. All right, look, guys, look at the Instagram story I'm about to post. Wait, let me go look at my positions I'm in. I haven't closed out of anything. Boys, does anybody have a non-copyright playlist that they trust that they can send me and I can play on stream and I won't get fucking banned? Cortec, is your account the one that I have at up 4% right now? No, up 2%. Or is that 4? 5, 1. Wait, how much is this? Something that's up 4%. 1, 2, 3. No, 3%. Cortec. Damn, casi te van el bot. ¿Por qué? Ah, por poner algo como tipo de challenge. I'll see 3 or 4 right now. All right. Yeah, I'm looking at your account right now. I'm actually going to leave your account running with this trade. It's just, I mean, this could be, if we look at what GJ is giving us right now, Cortec. Imagine we leave stops to break even, which is all the way. I mean, imagine we leave a stop loss on this trade right now, boys, right? So, I mean, the position that I just barely called out recently was this right here, 1-800-850. Imagine we keep the stop loss. Price comes up, coming back, coming to the side channel. It trades around here, does a side channel, down channel, side channel, and then we eventually get an up channel. We get double confirmations that we're like actually at the bottom of this formation. Look at the daily candlestick, Cortec. We could literally hold this trade until the daily flips bullish, probably a New York session, and then maybe like by the end of New York session, it could come back and engulf all the way up here. But we're looking right now that GJ's daily, yes, it's very bearish. Nonetheless, it's giving us strong indications that it wants to turn around. I anticipated the turnaround, and that's like my trading style. A lot of people would wait for it to be, all right, look, this daily is halfway flipped bullish. Now we have a stronger percent chance that it's bullish here instead of going bearish, for the rest of the day. Remember, candlesticks towards the end of their closures start going towards their true direction. Or we could look at this as the fact that, man, look at this huge reversal zone. I mean, we've always had a huge block order level here. Huge reversal, huge reversal. Like, this is just an area full of support. A lot of buying pressure, and GJ came down melting aggressively. Yesterday, it melted all day aggressively, and I actually was one of the people that thought, hey, if we melted the whole London session, I don't think we're going to melt the whole New York session as well. And that didn't play out to be true. I think we melted out through both of them, right? Now, today, I don't think we're going to melt out through both sessions, and that's initially what got me into my trade, right? That's the sentimental analysis that comes into play whenever you're trading, boys. It's the fact that, man, London session started, and we started melting. Right? London session started and we started melting. London session's been melting. So now it's a thing of like, hey, do I think that we're just going to go through 2 days in a row where we're just melting both sessions? We barely ever melt one day melting through 2 sessions. I was like, no way, Jose, we're doing it again. And I mean, it was a great execution of me. I mean, I was like, man, I'm going to get on stream now. I like that. I mean, regardless, also yesterday, I also didn't. 1, I didn't get on stream because I'm fixing the copyright situation. 2, I didn't get on stream because I didn't like the sell, man. I know I missed out on the sell as price was falling. I was like, boys, I'm going to get on live. I'm going to call a fucking buyout, and then I'm just going to get clapped. So I might as well not even get on stream. Let everybody, catch the sell. Hi, sir. Is gold still heading down? Man, gold might be heading down. The thing is that it's such a bullish pair, man. I don't know if you guys recall last week we were talking about it. Last week we were just talking about how this was just so bullish that I didn't want to take sells against it. It's just so strongly bullish. Like, as long as we're above, like, look at this 2 hour and look at this 1 hour. This 1 hour, we just barely started trading underneath this 8 SMA. I think that this 8 SMA is actually going to get recovered. This is actually a perfect buy signal for gold. If you guys are bullish on gold, I'm telling you guys, throw a stop loss, maybe about like, I know it seems like a lot, but this is the valid stop loss. 60 pips. 1980, it's at 1986, right? 1986, 300, 1980, 300. 60 pips on total. And then you could target like a 1 to 2 restored ratio. And boys, this trade is not going to hit your stop loss. We're going to leave this right here. It's going to be a perfect example of why patient trades pay. This is what Bada sent me. He said it's non-copyright. How do I know this is non-copyright? Well, people say they use it. I didn't expect him to come like that. All right, this is non-cop. Yo, Badas, if this stream, if this gives me a copyright strike, you realize it's all over. We've come all the way here to make fucking. How many subscribers do we got, boys? How many subscribers do we got? We got 3,700 something. We have 3.8 thousand subscribers. 3.8 thousand subscribers go out the motherfucking door if I put this and then we get blocked. He goes stream without music then. No, I mean, I'm dude, I ain't a bitch. I ain't a bitch. I'm gonna risk it for that. I mean, I see a whole bunch of people say they play it for their streams. Bro, I just smoked and streamed on Twitch. It was one of the most chill streams ever. Keep the heat, bro. I wish I could hear the music. Y'all let me know if I gotta put on my headphones after, if it's smacking. If it's smacking, I'll put on the headphones. If it's not, woo! We're flying. Sorry, the emotion's getting out of me, boys. I miss being on stream. At least I don't gotta go flipping through music. Alright, boys. Welcome to another London session with your boy, the GJ King, Dr. Peso. I will call out another live stream trade. I will call out another trade on live because I guess I haven't called out a live stream trade. Nonetheless, let's go check out how our track record is doing, boys. We just barely 11, 20. Oh. Wow, that's all it shows. BullisLifestyle.com to show anything. Yeah, I don't even know why I took it off the screen. I haven't showed anything. All right, let's go. We are at. We didn't trade on Friday. 11/21/2023. Today we took this trade at. What to do, Tamilius? How's everything, brother? We took this trade at 406. Yo, how come we got no? Yo, we got no emotion here in the trade. Like, we got nobody saying, yo, we smashed take. Yo, I see people that sent me their message saying that they took the trade. How come we got no emojis on here? I need everybody to go and support with some emojis to show that we actually got people looking at the trades. And I know we do, because I have a good amount of. Oh, look at you guys are beasts. I have a good amount of people that came in here and just and sent me their trade. Like, we have Ezequiel sent me their trade. We have, I think, Badas hopped into the trade. And then there's a good ass amount of people that are in the trade. As in, because I have their account on the trade. We took the trade at 408 and we closed it at about like 10 minutes ago. 408 to 440. 408. Boys, I'm gonna be here till New York session with you guys. We're gonna be here to New York session, so we're gonna expect to be catching a trade. And if we don't catch a trade, all right, you know, so be it. We don't. But nonetheless, though, we're here early in terms of relative to like when New York session opens, so I'm not even worried about it. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be able to catch something live. For anybody who has not hopped into a trade yet. And we flying. I'm telling you, Cortec, we have a chance of passing your challenge literally with this trade. Literally. Boys, check out how Miguel's been popping off. You guys saw yesterday how Miguel popped off on a bunch of accounts and made like 10+K. Look at this shit. Continue as a fixed peso. This was yesterday, Miguel. You know how I told you guys Miguel just randomly just decides to go fucking insane on people? This is yesterday, Miguel. Well, this is the bot. I don't know if it's Miguel or the bot, truthfully. Miguel's the one that handles the bot really well, and then the one that turns it on and off. So I don't know if this is the bot or Miguel. They both tend to fucking, like, the thing is, you gonna tell me the bot is the one that's in love with cells like this? You gonna tell me it's the bot? He could probably tell me it's the bot, but this is the bot. And then look at today right now. This is Miguel again. Miguel just barely did this again. And these are in 2 live accounts. I mean, there's a lot of challenge accounts that are connected to it, but this is actually on a live account, which makes me very happy. That's all Miguel. I have not touched that. What's my say on GJ? My say on GJ is that the GJ on the day, if we look at the daily candlestick on GJ, the daily candlestick is looking like it's going to flip bullish. My targets would be, yes, there might be a strong, one more strong bearish retracement, like a huge leg to the downside. Huge leg when I'm saying 20, 30 pips. But I think that, AJ, what's your phase 2 on, brother? Because we got your phase 1 passed like last week, I think on Thursday or Friday. We also got somebody else's phase 1 passed yesterday. I'm not sure whose phase 1 got passed yesterday. He was very happy though. This guy, Jay Hotch. 4 hour just barely flipped bullish. That's a good indicator that I did not pay attention to. Yeah, the 4 hour just barely flipped bullish. Now, I never really like taking trades just because a candlestick flips bullish. Why? Because I feel like there's a whole bunch of market makers waiting for people to wait for that exact you know, thing to happen. Like, it's like people, everybody wants to hop into a trade whenever the candlestick flips. Feel me? Yeah, no, I mean, I haven't really taken many trades on the accounts that I'm managing right now, but I knew that I would have gotten clapped if I would have taken a trade, so I'm actually very happy. Jay, is it your account that got passed yesterday? I know that somebody's account got passed yesterday because I remember seeing like, oh, thank you for passing my account. I remember Miguel telling me something about Bane. Cortex, you had your challenge getting Cortex challenge started getting passed last week Thursday, and he's up 3%, 3.5%. Wait, what is he up? He's up more. He's up 4 point something because it's flying. About to be 4. Alright, boys, how's the music in the background? Thank you guys for coming and giving the emojis. You guys, this fucking, just this small little fucking gesture means a lot. Actually, let me see who did it. Euro. Oh, I knew it. NJ, Beast. I love that I could see who did it. Ezequiel, he took the trade. He loved it. Tamilius, he's a boy. NJ, thank you for coming supporting. And Lion, and thank you for coming supported. Yeah, you see, I know who the real ones are. Then who the hell did we pass yesterday? Is it Shady? Let me open these messages up. Oh, it's not this guy. I don't even know who the fuck we passed. The E8 is going crazy. Man, I'm dying to know if whoever took these trades. I want to know if this is Miguel or the EA. The thing is, Miguel could tell me it's the EA, but like, Jesus Christ, you know? Like, how the fuck do I know that this is the EA if Miguel's the type of guy to be taking sells like this? You know? Like, is he just tricking me? Now, I don't know. I mean, we could just check, obviously, by seeing if the EA has called out that trade. On your account, it made $9,000. That's so funny. All right, boys, let's start seeing if... All right, so realistically right now, for us to scale into this trade, because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to scale into the trade. We just need to come back and wait for... We're going to start playing the 8 SMA tap, you know, strategy whenever it's, you know, pushing. Whenever price is pushing and we're just waiting for it to keep on bouncing off that 8 SMA or waiting for it to just keep on rallying, really. I'm expecting a bullish rally from this bottom. Now, if we break these lows, I'm pretty sure we'll get a strong indication of it. Like, we'll have to melt to the lows first, and then we'll be a little bit scared. Because, like, for example, yeah, that makes sense. If we actually melt to these lows, boys, I don't know how much we're gonna hold this support. You know, maybe if we can hold these supports up here, but if we come down to like these levels down here at the bottom of this fucking rectangle that I got right here, I don't know about that. Miguel's trades, he likes 35 pip stop, so I think other ones are bot. No, the bot takes the 35 pip stop. But what's funny is that Miguel, he fucking, dude, I'm the original trader of the 30 pips stop loss. Miguel thinks that just because he adds 5 pips to the stop loss, because he has shit entries, that he could call it his own fucking GJ strategy. Like, who is the only other, like, can you guys please tell me? I mean, I could be fucking wrong, but are there any other streamers? Are there any other streamers that literally fucking trade GJ the way I do and literally just hold a 30 pip stop loss like to the death of him? Is not that not me? Then Miguel out of nowhere came to me. He goes, yo, bro, I got a beautiful strategy on GJ. I'm like, what's the strategy? He goes, no, bro, I look for support SMC levels, ICT levels, and then 30 pip stop loss. He goes 35, and I'm like, isn't that like what I teach? Like, isn't that what I do? And he's no 100 pip stop loss. And he's like, no, bro, what do you mean? I'm like, dude, what do you mean? What do you mean? I teach, bro. I hold 45 pip stop loss, but too much, bro. I close that shit. Yeah, no, once you're 45 pips into drawdown, you just might as well have closed that trade. You got it wrong. You feel me? This LGTBQ. Yeah, he likes to Miguel likes to trade his BBC levels. Dude, like, what you talking about, bro? I'm the fucking king of GJ, bro. Stop playing. All right, so if these lows get broken a little bit more down here, I'm actually down to take this trade, and we'll call out this trade live, and this will be the live stream trade. How have we done this month? 10 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even, 91% win rate. That's also because we haven't. If we would have hopped on Friday, we would have lost. If we would have hopped on Monday yesterday, we would have lost. I'm telling you, bro. Arnold says BBC levels are the best. Isn't that like a bullish bearish counters? That's whenever there's bullish bearish counters, BBC levels, and you know, whenever there's a bullish and then there's a bearish, and then you know you start getting to this level right here where it counters, and then there's a pop to the bottom of the top. Nope, that's the BBC. All right, boys, give me a second. 1 second.
I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The Mayday I'm in, you got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different, which you tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter
I need a sneeze.
I never get it straight. Going back to you, but shit just stay the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. I've been thinking about the pain and I can't go back. We ain't never been the same since we left off last. You were running through my veins, had a heart attack. Trying to keep me in your range, fall back, cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you listen.
Marcus, that's how fucking Don Bo trades.
Treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving me. I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every
All right.
you got me falling down.
Mira de para que vea cómo
Make a sound. You choose
hold. Mira de para que vea cómo hold. No entendí, no entendí. Mira a ver qué veo. I didn't understand. ¿De dónde eres tú, bro? ¿De qué parte de Sudamérica? Whose is this? I don't trade GJ like that reason. I don't trade GJ like that reason I ask. Oh wait, yeah, you think what? You think with trend we just retest on? Dude, I think realistically this isn't turning around. Like when I look at this price action that we have right here, this right here, this is right here, bullish candle, continuation. Nothing here tells me to sell. This is literally like such a high, it's a very high probability trade. It's a very aggressive trade that I don't want to take. But I've seen these trades hit hella times, right? Hella times. And hella times we've taken trades like this. Now, what is the smart play to do on GJ? Man, realistically, the smart play would be to just wait for the retracement. Like I said, we melted out yesterday throughout London session and New York session. We very few amount of times melt out through both sessions. Today, we've melted out the whole London session. That's why exactly I took these buys, due to the fact that I'm like, man, we're about to get to New York session pretty soon. There's no way 2 days in a row we melt out London and New York. Very few times in a row that's happened. Very few times it melts out both sessions. You know, it's usually melt and then pause, melt, recovery, melt, huge recovery, and then melt by the end of the session again. Sure, but never just straight bearish, you know, like butter knifing through all these levels of support. So realistically, I mean, I see that this could be a down channel, right? We have a little down channel, and I know that if we stay back into this range, like if we respect this resistance, I mean, all that means is that we're conforming. Now, this is a down channel, we confirm that, right? Now, if we come back into resistance, man, this is the side channel of it. And us just waiting for us to just break resistance and do whatever we need to do is down channel, side channel, up channel, which is a strong indicator for saying that we're, you know, bottoming out on GJ. Also, higher time frame on GJ is giving me really good vibes for being bullish. Like, look at the weekly, boys. Weekly tested these weekly lows, right? Remember, a lot of people forget to do this. What I want you guys to do, look at the daily candlestick chart, look at the weekly candlestick chart, and look at the monthly candlestick chart. I want you to try to predict on that daily candlestick chart, where is that daily candlestick? Where are the possibilities of where it could end? This is the daily candlestick chart. Could it end all the way up here, bullish? Could it end all the way down here, bearish? Or is it going to stay right here? Remember the magnet levels. Let's start focusing on our magnet levels, strong levels that attract price, right? That's the daily. Now let's look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour, and we start seeing, all right, you know, this is like the level of support that we're at. Is there any levels a little bit lower? Potentially any levels above here, higher? Potentially, these are the magnet levels that we're looking at now, right? And now let's start. What was the other one that I wanted to do? Well, the weekly. The weekly is the one that I was looking at. All right, and then if we look at the weekly, we see the weekly lows match the daily lows. The other level of support that we drew down here is the 8 SMA. So that's how we start seeing that the confluence of those levels that we drew are very strong. Because look at the 8 SMA right here. The strong level of attraction, strong level of repellence. If we go right here, we're going to the moon. And so we start looking at these candlesticks, and I want to ask myself, all right, this weekly candlestick has today, wait, what day? What the fuck? We're Tuesday. Right, we're very early to be paying attention to where it's going to actually close. But I mean, it's giving us indications that it could flip, or at least show us that it might flip into a doji candlestick, and then that would give us a confirmation of it being bullish, 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 and then this one flips bullish. I mean, the statistics says that this candlestick has a higher probability chance of being bullish than bearish. And I guess that's the way I look at the charts, boys. You know, it really just comes down to just me paying attention to key smart levels where I know there could be reactions, and start just paying attention to the statistics and the probabilities of what could happen behind every trade. And the more you come to the charts, the more you start learning those statistics and probabilities. The charts slowed down right now ever since we hit our take profit. Duncan, you a W, gang. Thank you, AJ. Thank you, AJ. Man, I'm dying for Miguel to wake up. I really want to know. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. Oh, I just saw your message, Danny. Ooh, that is a great wedge. What is that? What is that time frame on? Let me see. Oh shit, Danny, did you take my trade? Did you take my trade, or we automatically just hopped into the same trade? All right, look how this trade's about to play out. This is not the call out of the session, boys. Make sure you guys do not execute on any trades. This is a trade that I called out on the admin signals right here, and this is just another trade that we're just putting on the screen to. Jay, yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. 100%. Oh, you hopped in by yourself? You got a 750 entry? You copied me? Because I'm pretty sure, I think I went through like a 5-pip drawdown. Oh, so you were in, I hopped in, and you're like, oh, this shit's going. Man, I hopped into the trade. I hopped into this trade, boys, and I literally did not think it would hit so quick. I thought I was going to go through a big amount of drawdown. I was like, all right, I'm going to go to the shower, get out the shower, and then get on live stream, and then we're going to be able to be in this trade together. Well, yeah, and you have them both at break even. Honestly, hold them. I'm holding one of my entries on Cortex account, who's here in the chat. I'm holding it on Cortex account, and like I closed on the other ones, and that's exactly why I feel like Cortex is gonna fly. You know, that's exactly how it works. Nabil says I missed it, boys. I sent it to the free admin signals. For anybody who says that they don't get any free signals, I mean, when you guys join the Discord, guys, make sure, can you guys re-enter? Can you re-enter? You could possibly enter this trade right here. You know, enter like a 20 pip stop loss, 30 pip stop loss. It's valid, but I mean the trade happened. We already hit take profit one. Oh, thank you, Arnold. This is exactly what I was about to do. Arnold's read my fucking mind. Discord chat is right there, boys. If you guys are not in the Discord chat, you guys have missed out on this trade. Look, admin signals is where you go to get the free signals, and then when you guys want to get my VIP signals, that's right here. When you go Delta Wizard, let's see if this is what called the sellout today. This is the Delta Wizard bot, which is our bot that shows, you know, trades GJ very accurately up to our, so this is a sell. When the fuck did it hop into the trade? Not at 8:20 yesterday. Not at 8:30. This is where it hopped in. It said stop loss 40 pips, take profit 70. And it hopped into that bitch. And then it almost fucking got collapsed or something. I don't know what's going on there. Is this thing gonna turn around? Oh, it's turning around there. Oh, now it's there, it's dying. Oh, there it's dead. There it's flying, 88 profit pips. Oh my god. Wait, did this thing just scale in a whole bunch of times into a sell? Did this thing really just scale in a whole bunch of times into a sell, boys? I suck at paying attention and reading to like what the hell is actually happening there. Let me check out these entries. Miguel 185 600 185 600 185 600 185 600 24. Oh, so it was 800 800, then he scaled in at 600 600 600 600. Well, hopefully these profits don't go out the door. Mind pleaser, do I owe you a giveaway for the VIP, brother? Or are you waiting for us to do a giveaway? Go right now to the Discord chat. Go to the Discord chat and type hi, I'm the giveaway winner in the free chat right here. And I got you, I'll push you. Go right here and just put hi, I'm Mind Giver. Or let's see how many trolls we have in there going. If you go and troll, are you getting kicked? If you go in and say you're Mind Giver and you're not Mind Giver, you're getting kicked. There's zero tolerance for fucking foolery here right now. Boys, how's the playlist in the background? I'm not sure if anybody who has not been in the last, anybody who got here late today. Boys, I got 2 copyright strikes. On Thursday, just randomly, it says, hey, you got 2 strikes. If you get a 3rd strike for putting people's music or being the best motherfucking stream with the best motherfucking music, with the best good looking person on stream, with the best fucking trader of GJ, we're gonna ban your account. So YouTube threatened to fucking shut down my account if I end up keep on putting our music and shit like that. Not looking good, boy. So I got this non-copyright music on. Hopefully it don't get fucking bamboozled. I need to know who this guy is. Mind pleaser, who are you?
You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we don't go.
When I get you paid, you don't DM me and send me a small percentage to my cash out. But when the parlays don't hit, I'm every name in the book. Y'all ain't real. That's funny. No snacks today. I got it off the screen so you guys don't call me a fat ass. Who won the giveaway last week? I don't think we ended up. I think I owe everybody a second giveaway, which is for the second batch of accounts, and we should do that right now, bro. Did you trade London? This is London. London opened 2 hours ago. Tell this bitch to fly straight 200 pips. Guys, this thing's not coming back. I don't think that GJ's coming back. Boys, how's the background music though? Compared to like what my music is usually, how's the background music right now? Is it annoying for the stream? Can we keep on handling this? Is to play this forever? Like what are we gonna do here? I'm trying to figure out the situation. Let's go look at gold real quick. It's good music? Thank you, Peter. I don't think it's copyright. It should not be copyright. I just barely went. I went into the. Wait, what the fuck is playing right now? I don't even know what's playing, truthfully. No, this isn't copyright. We will find out. That's exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. If you guys fucking dude, imagine we get shut down. That would be ridiculous. If we get shut down, I'm coming to India. What it do, get in gaming? What's poppin'? Wow, GU is a perfect indicator of why I think pound pairs are gonna fly. Look at this, look at it. Wow. GU looks completely different from GJ. Has anybody been paying attention to this? Look at this. This thing's gonna rally. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour on GU. This thing's ready to go. And looking at gold, we're not in this trade on gold, by the way, boys. But I mean, looking at this trade, I think that this needs to go a little bit more down. I think it's a great trade. I don't think it'll get stopped out. But if we want it to be a little bit more snipery, I think it has a little bit more to go down. USD is dumping. The DXY is falling hard. Let me see what else. I want to call out another trade on GJ, boys. I'm not done with GJ. For those who did not call out the Discord, those who did not catch the Discord signal, I'm getting ready to scale into another buy. Now, do I hate taking repeated trades back to back on the same setup? I always explain that we always have to wait for the next wave to be able to trade. So like realistically, I'd love for this to retrace, and then we wait for the next wave of the bullish momentum push. But like I don't know. This is kind of like the same wave as like I know this is the same buy. It's the same buy. It's the same wave. I don't know if you guys feel like I don't know if you understand my my way of explaining it.
Skull shave, the power of a smooth, clean shave in the palm of your hand.
Loving the hoodie. Man, I wish you could see this E. This E right here. So there's an E that looks like this one, but instead of it being pink, it's the color of like the candlestick right here. This candlestick right here. So this candlestick is this color, and then the other blue candlestick is like, but you can't see because I have a green screen on. I guess that this is being captured by the green, and so it's also like right here does the same thing. I think that's the favorite part. That shit looks dope as fuck. I also have the Bullish Lifestyle hoodie that actually has like the Bullish Lifestyle logo. Yeah, boys. I mean, at one point when things are going well for the whole gang, everyone's doing good shit, and we all fucking making money on live stream, we're gonna start sending out hoodies to everybody. Up to the moment, they're a little bit exclusive. They need to get. Damn, dude, why the fuck the chart's slowing down when I hop on? Like, speed the fuck up. AJ, we owe you a hoodie for sure. There's a couple people we owe hoodies. I'll say there's a couple OGs in here. Arnold, Peter, AJ, and Paras. Those are the 4 people that I don't think I would charge for a hoodie. Icy's earning his way there because Icy's been here for a fat minute also. And oh fuck! Now that I'm looking, I got Van Post and Marcus too little. Dude, this family's getting accumulated, boys. The thing is that Peter and AJ. Oh wow, Tamilius. Peter, AJ, and Tamilius go way back. Then like maybe a very a couple months ago, which is way back also. Arnold hopped into the equation. I'm looking through the comments right now and seeing what OGs I got in here. I got a lot to give. No. I'm actually one of the few traders. So like that's the thing that I thought I did different in the industry, and you guys mistake me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure that majority of people who pass challenges, they give you the challenge once it's passed. I kind of offer the challenge passing service, the account management, right? The account management, why isn't it an advantage for me? A lot of people ask, why don't you just go and trade your own capital? I do trade my own fucking capital. I also add your guys' capital under it. Why? Because it's more money to make. And also I pay less taxes on that money, right? It's basically we're doing cut splits where, you're basically cashing out money for me, sending it to me, and that's the truth behind it. There's no fucking me hiding it. There's no, if you want to do it, you do it. If you don't want to do it, you don't do it. You want to take your account, you trade on your own. And yeah, so we offer the account management service, and what we do offer with that account management service is that we assure that we're going to get like 2 to 3% for the first 2 months, and that's nothing. Making 2 to 3% is the easiest thing in the world, but what it does is take everybody out of like drawdown, and then once everybody's out of drawdown is when we decide with the client, where do you want to push the account to? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? And majority of our clients tell us to do whatever we want to do with the accounts. Nobody's ever really told us to push anything. Nonetheless, we got Miguel over here fucking taking like 40 lots and shit. Yeah, would you manage one for more account? Yeah, 100%. So very soon, like I said, next year, once we have all the accounts that I want passed, and we have the exact number of what I want. I mean, we can only copy so many accounts on our copy trader. So that's why there's going to be a closing when we're not going to accept any more accounts, and the only accounts we're going to accept from is our clients that actually have accounts open with us. So that's how that's gonna work. I mean, yeah, just right now it's been a thing of trying to figure out what's the best way to actually send trades to all accounts, or what accounts to send trades to, or should we group them all together? Should we group phase 2s? Like we're just figuring out the whole way of actually keeping it organized, because the disorganization is what's put us giving us steps backwards. Because it's like you catch a trade on this account, but then you don't catch it on that one, but then when you go touch that one, then you go, then it just makes a whole fucking, keeping everything under one trader, under one account is probably the best way to go. Nonetheless, it's I don't know, and there's a little bit more that goes on the back end than just fucking trading your guys' account. You guys, I'm missing a thought from my head. I was gonna say something. The zero tax that I read, holy fuck. That shit's going down right now. Let's see. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Oh, yeah. So basically, that's the biggest thing. What my advantage is for me passing challenges and trying to trade them for you guys is that the only thing I'm getting, not the only thing, what I'm getting out of it is that I'm gonna get I'm getting basically a free challenge under my name. Let's say, right, a free challenge, and then I'm also getting more of the payout than what I would get if I was trading it on my own. It's a little loophole. It's the truth. Now, we got I don't even know if I should be telling you guys all this information, but I'll tell you guys why not. Miguel probably won't approve of it, but now one of our guys that we've been cashing out hella money on, that we cashed out 10K, 4K, 5K, now we're going up 12K. The last payout that he gave us, he told us that he wanted us to, he gave us like a W-2 form or I don't know what the fuck he gave us. I don't want to open up the messages, but he gave us something that basically, I don't know, Miguel's the one that does all this stuff. Like I said, Miguel's the one that understands everything. But basically, he's making us pay our own taxes on that money. He was like, fuck that. He was like, you guys have won too much money on our account. He goes, now he goes, and he was like, yo, bro, can we please? And then, I don't know, I guess Miguel got to the agreement of yes. But it's under our company, so the company's taking the tax hit, not us individually, etc., etc. I don't know. Truthfully, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. But what I do know is that the guy fucking got sick of us fucking making him pay all the taxes, and then he's giving us forms to sign for for his company paying out our company. So he's basically contracting us, which is fucked because we're actually the ones that are like the owners here, contracting him if anything. Keep your mouth shut, Mr. Exposed. Dude, I exposed so much shit. Dude, there was like a stream on Wednesday that I accidentally opened up my Discord and I accidentally opened up one of these messages, and it was like fucking Cortex sending me his login credentials for his account that he just bought. Yo, what? That was ridiculous. And then the other stuff that I exposed is stuff that like could be held secret. Like for example, the guy that we cash out all the money on, he never joins the live stream anymore. Like that guy that we cash out all the money on, his name, I mean, I'm not gonna say his name, I guess. All I know is that I don't know why he's such a pansy about it. He just says that he wants to be low key. He says that he's always worried about like he says that he thinks that like that if too many people find out that we're cashing, like that you guys could go and send it to the fucking group and then have his account taken off and shit like that. Where is he? I'm scared to open up something I'm not supposed to open up, so let me open up the messages before. So he's always asking to just keep his name hidden and shit like that. I'm like, bro, can I get you on a fucking video call and can you fucking give me a fucking testimonial, bro? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Nobody gives a fuck who the fuck you are, you know? Let me just make sure there's no credentials set in this bitch. Dude, and we have another person who passed dude, we passed CJ's, and then we have other people on the other hand who we passed their phase 1, phase 2s. They tell us that they want us to trade. He's not a random dude. What's crazy is that this guy lives in Orlando, lives pretty close to me, and he's like a dad. Even double checking will still fuck up and explode. Yeah, that's why I'm not even taking out anything. Truthfully, I can't even find our messages right now. Like blocked me or something. What the fuck? Alright, so like I was saying, then we have other people that they tell us that they want us to trade their account, but then I guess the second that they see that they have a live account, they take that shit. And that's what happened with CJ. CJ is one of the people, like, I don't know if you guys noticed that we've been posting some person's account. We passed her phase 1, we passed her phase 2. The second we passed her phase 2, she was like, oh, actually, I think I want to trade it myself. She was like, oh, the second account that you're passing for me, that we're on phase 2 already, she was like, oh, you guys could trade that one. That is not, that, I mean, I don't know if she's in the chat here or not, but that is what gets me annoyed. That is what gets me annoyed, super annoyed. It's like, you tell me one thing, now I plan for one thing, and out of nowhere it gets done, and like, it's like, all right, how do I know now when I pass your phase 2 that you actually want us to copy your trades? And if you went and said that you wanted to trade on your own, how do I know at the fact that we actually cash you out money that you're going to send it to us? It just gets a little bit more weird whenever you can't hold your word throughout the whole, what's the copy trader program? I don't know, ask Miguel. It's the typical one that everybody uses. If the chat says it, I'll be able to tell you guys yes or no. Social trader, there you go. Yeah, no. I mean, she's been super cool with sending us all the proofs and all that, but she told us that she wanted us to trade. We were gonna trade her account. We fucking traded it, passed it, and then I know where she was like, "Oh, I want to trade it past the phase 2." So now, when I pass the phase 2, I'm gonna give it to her and be like, "Look, you do whatever the fuck you want with the accounts. If you guys want us to trade it, it's gonna be an upfront fee. If not, keep it moving." There's another person. I'm not sure who he's in the chat. Well, his name is. Let me not expose. Actually, he didn't send any credentials here to the messages here, so let me. This is a client that I like. These are clients that I like. Look at this guy. This guy's on crack. Let me not fucking show my messages. What's his name? I told him, I was like, bro, you're the type of client that I fucking need in this fucking. Is it 21 Ghost? Yeah, 21 Ghost. Oh yeah, it's 21 Ghost here. 21 Ghost is a fucking monster, bro. 21 Ghost gives me an account. He tells me, look, bro. He gives us. He first comes to us because he has a phase 2. Bro, leak the now, yeah. But he comes to us. 21 Ghost. 21 Ghost is his name. He comes to us because he has a phase 2. His phase 2 is in drawdown and he wants us to pass it. We get the phase 2 and break even. He says he'll take over the phase 2. We're like, okay, it's fine. He goes, but any chance you want to take over my live account? And I was like, what? I was like, of course. Now his live account was down $2,000+ and I barely and now I made $3,000 on it, and now he's at 100K plus $1,000. I'm not sure if he's here. I'm gonna not push that account anymore. Why? Oh, so he gave us this live account. I recover the live account, text him the next day. I go, I recovered your live account. He goes, okay, any chance you want my second live account? And I go, what? You got 2 live accounts? He goes, bro only made 1%. Is that AJ? How am I? If this client hasn't paid us any cash up front, the only thing he paid us was to recover his phase 2, and we already did that. Now, imagine, like, I can't fucking go $5,000, $6,000 on his account and just hope he pays me. I'm gonna give him $1,000. Let's see if he pays me that. I also have his second account. When I recovered his first account, he gave me the second account that's down 5% now. So he first gave me no. It was down 5%, and then he made 2% on it, and he gave it to me down 3%. So first he gave me an account down 2%, then he gave me an account down 3%. And I'm like, bruh. I'm like, yo, where the fuck are you getting all these accounts from, brother? Like, what the fuck? So Miguel had to actually hop on a call with him the next day after we recovered his account, and he set boundaries and rules of like what the fuck needs to go on. Also, I'm iffy, and I only made $1,000 on his account, and I'm not touching it anymore. Was because his phase 2, we would have passed his phase 2 that our job was to recover. I hope he's in this chat. 21 Ghost, and he's speaking to me in Spanish, so hopefully he understands English. But his phase 2 would have been passed already weeks ago if he would have kept on touching the trades, boys. Don't fucking touch the trades we take on your account. Please! Don't touch the trades you guys take on your account. Because, and that's exactly why he actually violated the contract. That's happened to many people that have done it. For example, another person who I don't see him in the chat, but he's always here, Bricked, SS Bricked, your batch of accounts got passed. From 2 months ago, 3 months ago, it got passed with Miguel within like 2 weeks ago, and you weren't in that. Your account's still in our copy trader, being fucking in there because you kept on losing every time I'd make money on their account. So that account's fucked. That's a 400K. That account's fucked. It's in recovery mode, but we didn't even bring that down. That was actually the client on his own. I hate that shit. Why they touching the account? That was no Bricked ruined his account about us. Bricked actually, when I told Bricked, hey, your account's gonna be my priority. This was like 2 months ago, boys. You know, I'm gonna full transparency. 2 months ago, I told Bricked I'm gonna pass his account. He was like, all right, deal. I go, brother, don't touch your account because all the accounts are connected to you. He goes, okay. I made 4% on his account first day. First day, we were up already, 4%, right? I made 20K or some shit like that. No, less than, what am I saying? He has a 400K account, I made 4K, there you go. No, I made 8K, I made like 7K, I made 2%. I don't know what I did, but I know that I was up in the 8,000s number, and it wasn't. I remember it was a big number, but it was a 400K account, so it wasn't too much. The next thing I look at the next day, that account's down like $8,000, $10,000, and I look at all my other clients' accounts, and I remember Peter, you were in that. I know there was a whole bunch of people in this, because some of the accounts are still going through the phase of getting, like, I mean, they've been recovered. I recovered it literally 2 days later, 3 days later, but he literally lost like 4% on. He lost like 20K. He literally lost 20K, but he didn't blow the daily drawdown due to the fact that we were in profit already. I don't remember exactly what the fuck, but I remember I told every single client that it happened to. I messaged them and I told them, look, bro, this is my fault. CJ was one of them. That's all I'm telling you. CJ was in this batch of accounts. CJ was one of the fucking accounts. All of them were down as fuck. And I told Brick, I'm like, bro, what are you doing? He goes, Brick tells me, oh, bro, I thought I was on the wrong account. This was once. I recovered it. We were in profit. And then he did it again. So I took him off of the mother account because I'm like, all right, he's going to keep on trading his account. He completely violated the rules. Everyone's up as fuck besides him. Then maybe like a month later, I forget about him, and this was recently, where I go and I'm like, yo, Miguel, what's this guy's account at? And Miguel goes, bro, look at these trades. And he shows me that he's always taking like 10 lot on gold trades, like these random 10 lot gold trades. But twice he fucked over all my clients, like dude. I don't know who's one of the clients in here that I remember, but our accounts were all fucked, and I was like, bro, I told every one of my clients, I'm not blaming it on this guy. It's my fault. I'm just saying that this was a misunderstanding. You shouldn't be down fucking 3% off of a 5% loss in a day. Like, you should not be. And what's beast is that I recovered all those accounts. And like I was saying, Brick. So right now, actually, Brick texted me yesterday. The Wall Street Sniper. This was like a month ago. This was 2 months ago. He texted me actually yesterday. I forgot his account, so I don't have room in my copy trader. And he texted me recently. I did a 0.1 trade on the 400K account to reset the timer because we did need to do at least one every 30 days. And that's when I realized right now that his account is not on the copy trader. I'm going to still try passing his account, but his account was fucked. He fucked his account. He fucked his account over. Kind of like 21 Ghost fucked over his phase 2. And when 21 Ghost realized that we would have passed his phase 2, and that's when he just took his account back in profit, right? We were supposed to pass his phase 2 that was in drawdown. That's what he pays us for. And then he ruined it, and so he noticed that, took it back, and he goes, hey bro, any chance you want to trade my live account? And so, like I was saying, AJ, now I'm up on his live account. He's violated rules with me. He's I don't fucking know. I don't know. I need to do something that makes sure that my clients are going to be able to pay me out, right? And I don't know. I got bad vibes again with CJ. CJ seems like a good person, she seems dope. But I don't know. I got vibes. Like, everybody could seem dope, but I feel like the second that shit just turns the fuck around, I don't know. I feel like at one point I can make a whole bunch of money on her account and she could walk away and be like, you know what? I never need to go to this person's stream again. This guy just made me $10,000. I'm out. You know? That's exactly what I don't want to happen, because then I feel fucked. So let me see. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. I guess I'm not even going to show you who guys CJ is. Well, I've tagged CJ on my profile many times, or if anybody who's been like, oh, who's this CJ chick? She's just one of the chicks that joins our live stream. She's like a nurse or something like that. Probably a pretty successful businesswoman, because she bought one account off of us. We passed it in like 2 days. Then she bought another account off of us. We passed the phase 1, and then she tells us she wants to buy another one. She hasn't bought the other one, but she took the fucking live account. What's the point of paying for a service and then trading it yourself? Yeah, I mean, majority of people have been really, like, for example, Peter's a strong example. Peter has been the most patient out of the most. Actually, AJ has been also very patient. You know, there's been people in here that we've been passing their challenge for a fat minute. I'm talking probably over a month and a half, and just because of ABC bad reasons, just sometimes the conditions aren't the best for like what we're doing. Not that we're blowing accounts left and right, that doesn't really happen. And most of every single client that has had any trouble with us, we've taken care of. There's not been one person that we just fucking block and keep on moving. But yeah, it really just comes down to Peter says he is the best customer. No, No, definitely not the best customer. There's way better customers, Peter, but you're definitely up there with the best customers. I mean, in my eyes, Peter's account is down right now. Peter's account has been down because of Miguel. I mean, regardless, I mean, nah, it gets too, you get too into too much, regardless. But like I was saying, it's made very clear to people that we don't offer refunds. Have we given refunds before, and will we give refunds? Probably, right? Probably, because I want to keep good standings with everybody. But like, I don't know. In my perspective, it's just more like, I don't know. There's a terms of service that says that there's no refunds. There's a chance to be taken here when we pass your challenge. It's not 100%. Never was said it was 100%. I guess I need to just keep on making that more and more clear to everybody that there is still a chance that your challenge does not get passed. Is it a big chance? Is it a big chance? Not really. Statistically wise, not really at all. Now, shit happens. And so like when it comes down to like people telling us, hey, you got to give me money back. You got to give me money back. You got to give me money back. It's like, you know, I have clients that we failed their account. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, Peter, you were probably one of them. That haven't had an account failed, and the next thing they do is say, hey, it doesn't work, it doesn't matter, I'm going to send you another account, let's do it again. Those are the clients that I like. For example, AJ is one of them. AJ is somebody who has had his challenge failed, and I don't know where he goes, oh shit bro, it's okay, let me send you another account, let's move forward and let's keep it going. So like when people don't show that pressure, I'm telling you, dude, the people's accounts who are the best right now are the ones who don't even talk to me. They're the ones who just let it happen. When you just let it happen, those are the ones that eat. For example, I don't know, a perfect example is Quartek. Quartek's, you know, just a random ass guy, just wanted to get his account passed, and never talked to him before. Guy's up for almost 4% already. Well, now probably at 3% because his trade's coming down a little bit. And I don't know, it's just like the ones that you less have like connections with are the ones that typically do better the most, and the best clients are the ones that understand like the precautions. Now if things are promised to you, like for example, Peter, things were promised to Peter, I understand perfectly. So actually now me double thinking about what I'm saying, Peter's one of the top clients. But it's just that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't know. What is the minimum account size to accept? 25K accounts. 25K accounts. It's like a $300 minimum 25K account. But yeah, like I said, we have given refunds before. Do we offer refunds? No, we don't. We don't offer refunds. Now, will we offer a refund if there's disgusting things being done? Like imagine we lose more than 4% in a day, we do things that I don't approve of, we will give the refund 100%. And that's why there's people that are eligible for refunds, etc., etc. Well, the only person that we fucking Peter. But yeah, no. I mean yeah, I guess that's much of an explanation. I was gonna go into now that I'm thinking about it, I have to purchase. So like for example, there's another person here, Buggy. There's a person whose account we failed. His account was Buggy's account was a 10K account. I think Buggy gave me, for example, this is another situation of where I keep things handled. There was a guy that gave me a 10K account. His 10K account was like an account that you can't throw more than a fucking like 30. You can't throw more than it's not more than 30 leverage. So it's like one of those accounts that you have to scale it to size it. And he gave me this account without me knowing that it was that type of account. And I don't know where I'm taking trades and it's not making as much profit as I want. And then little by little, I start realizing, bro, it's impossible for me to scale this account when I can't even take a fucking one lot on a goddamn 10K account. I have to take less than a one lot. And after that, I tried pushing his account and his account got failed. And it was like that weird misunderstanding of like, hey, you know, he did give me the challenge. I guess I didn't really look into it. Fucking, it was a ridiculous thing. But I told Buggy, and now that I'm reading the messages, I told Buggy that, all right, Buggy, look, just give me time, give me a week. I'm gonna buy you an account, and I actually have to buy his account. I'm gonna buy him a 25K account, and look at that. He gave me a 10K account, something that costs like $50, $100. I'm gonna buy him a $200 something account and try passing it again. But he gave me a 10K account that you can't even throw more than a one lot on. Like, come on. But like, because I see the misunderstanding, like where I could see the middle ground misunderstanding, we're always gonna come to an agreement and fix whatever needs to be fixed. Always. I'm not gonna fucking just start blocking people and go JP Savage on here. Buggy, I don't know, Buggy Coder. He just barely sent me a message saying, have we started that 25K? So Buggy, if you wanted to say something in the chat, you can say something in the chat. I don't know. Peter's like, bro, you talking too much. Someone can misuse it. Brother, I literally have nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. I could have every single one of my clients tell me their exact experience with me, and there's nothing that I'm trying to hide from it. Like, I could have literally every single person in this chat or every person right here fucking tell me, and we're gonna get more positive at a negative by far. And what could be considered negative, it's just like, you know, it's just Buggy Coder. Yeah, John Lang. So it's like, I mean, there's things that maybe they're private for like the client themselves, but honestly, there's nothing for me to be hiding. Like, there's people that are angry they're in drawdown. There's people that are happy that they've gotten phase 1, phase 2 pass. There's people that, I don't know, touch their accounts and fuck them over, and then they still get annoyed. There's people that give us accounts that they're not the actual accounts, like the fucking those ones that you accelerated accounts. Don't give us no accelerated accounts. That shit's ass. Do you manage live accounts? Yeah, we manage live accounts. Did you just said nigga coder? I said Buggy Coder. Did you just said, yeah, I read that correct. Blessings, bro. I really appreciate your transparency. 100%, brother. The transparency honestly just helps us. There's nothing that's like if there was something to actually be like worried about, of like, oh fuck, we got, like, boys, you guys have never had anybody come to this fucking live stream or come to my YouTube chat and be like, oh, this guy blew my account. Like, I remember recently, like a week ago, there was somebody who came into the drawdown and said, oh, these guys have my account in drawdown and have everybody's account in drawdown. That's false. Not everybody's account in drawdown. There was another person who's an idiot. On this guy. Let me tell you guys more. There's a guy named Johnny C. Johnny C. I don't know if you guys remember Johnny C. Johnny C used to be in the Discord. Johnny C used to harass Miguel every single day because Miguel had him in drawdown. Every single day he would harass Miguel, and Miguel would just go more and drawdown, more and drawdown, more and drawdown. This guy's account was left with like 2%, and this guy blew the account on his own with 2% left, and then bitched at us, and then what does he do? Brother, a week later, we get an invoice. I mean, not an invoice. Our bank tells us that we're down $1,000+ because he fucking canceled his. He called his bank and said that we scammed him. Miguel being pissed as fuck because the last time somebody, dude, full transparency. The last time somebody did this to us, where they paid with a credit card and then they canceled their credit card, it was an Atlanta football player. It was an NFL Atlanta football player. I can show you guys his profile. This guy has supposedly has a whole bunch of money, plays for the fucking Falcons, fucking traded. We were passing his account. We were up like 2 or 3%. He kept on trading his own account, put himself into drawdown, ended up blowing his account because it passed 2 weeks that he was still in like profit, but still like not passed. He blew his own account, and then he started bitching at me, and then whatever. So then, Miguel got mad at me because I deleted my messages with him because I blocked him. I was like, yo, fuck this dude. I blocked him. So then Miguel asked for the messages so he could send them back to the bank and show that we didn't scam the dude. We couldn't do that. We lost $1,000+. Then whatever. Johnny C, his account's in drawdown. He's harassing Miguel every single day. He's saying that he's gonna fucking do this, he's gonna do that, he's gonna fucking just harassing the shit out of Miguel. And then Miguel coming to me super pissed every single day. Miguel's like, yo, bro, deal with this guy. And I just found it funny because I'm like, yo, this guy's pissed as fuck for what? Like, what the fuck is this guy's problem? Whatever. Johnny C ends up blowing his account. The whole batch of accounts that he blew the next week, that was the batch of accounts that got passed. I was like, I don't know, I can show you guys what batch of accounts that was. But Miguel passed that batch of accounts. So Miguel, Miguel, first of all, when he found out that we got the $1,000 got taken from our account because Johnny C called this credit card company, Miguel sent the most elaborate email to the credit card company. He sent the most elaborate name to the credit card company. He also and he sent all the messages, he sent everything, and he won the case. We got our money back. Johnny C is never gonna be able to work with that credit card company again because he literally got caught fucking typing his name in, typing in how much he's gonna send us, showing us the thing, showing us the wallet, showing us the service, saying he's fine with it. He we literally showed everything, and then we got the money back recently. This was recently, and oh, and then the double funny part that Miguel was. I remember the day Miguel was so happy when he passed that batch of accounts. He literally passed the batch of accounts like a week later, 2 weeks later, and he goes, "Fuck you, Johnny C. Fuck you." I was like, damn, bro, that's how you feel? Like, what are these dudes talking about Johnny C? I forgot that dude existed, but he was like, yo, fuck Johnny C. That's the only thing he was thinking when he passed that phase of accounts. What minimum for management for live account? I mean, we only do live account management with challenges, boys. Only with like prop firms, because if it's within a live account that you actually put your own money into, there's not really much leverage for us to be able to actually push numbers with. If that makes any sense. No, I'm not here in Atlanta. That's just some other dude. Van Post, thanks for that, brother. Yo, GJ hasn't done shit. We've been here talking shit due to the fact that GJ's not doing shit. Like, what the fuck? We've moved how many pips? We've moved 20 pips in the last 15, 30, 45. An hour and 15, an hour 30. An hour 30 minutes, we've only moved 20 pips. Do I trade gold? I love trading gold, brother. I love trading gold. This is actually the gold position I sent to you guys a little bit. Not I didn't send it as a signal, but I told you guys, hey, this is the gold position that's gonna hit. This is the valid stop loss. This is the valid entry. And look, that's how it's playing out so far. For those who got here early. That's why I've always liked about you. You've always kept it real and transparent. Man, I think it's the best when you try to keep it, because like, man, I'm not a there's no such thing as a perfect trader. I'm not a perfect fucking machine that could literally just make a whole bunch of people money now. Like, I don't know, it's just can we see gold, please? Yeah, that's gold right there. Can't even finish my incomplete thoughts. I need to smoke. What's oil's ticker symbol again? XAG. And then, boys, just in case you guys have any more, so we could stop talking about the challenge pass, etc. If you guys have any questions about the challenge passing, Arnold, help me out here. Join the Discord. Discord link is in the comment section, right? And you scroll down. Look at the left-hand side. You scroll down up until you see challenge passing, and in here you could open up a ticket. When you open up a ticket, you could ask as many questions as you want, and you will be responded to. Thank you, Bottas, and thank you. Any questions you guys have on the challenge passing, you just come right here. Discord VIP section. Look, I mean, you just scroll all the way down until you see the little eyes. Challenge passing. Open a ticket. My broker allowed me to do unlimited leverage. The thing, brother, I don't think we could trade live accounts. I don't we could trade live accounts that are funded, but we don't trade live accounts that are like personal live accounts. A live account that's funded, like, I don't know. I can't imagine somebody giving me their actual live money. Like, I don't know, like I can't do shit with it. You know, like $1,000. What? I'm gonna try to fucking flip it all the way. It's just too aggressive, too risky. If you give me a $10,000 account. Like, unless you're a fucking actual person that has money and you could fucking afford to put up like a $50,000 account or $25,000 account, like, that's the minimum. But like, even, I don't know, you know. Romaine wants money. Romaine, I'm so sorry, I cannot get you an account right now, brother. If I get you an account, I have to get a whole bunch of other people's accounts. It's usually what happens every time I get somebody an account. Damn, there's like ads on this bitch. Let me switch profiles where there's no ads. Guys, how's the music been so far? Is the music a lot whacker than what it usually is, or it's, you know, fine, just calming background music? How much do you charge for trading people's live accounts? So what we do with the live account, when you have a funded live account, imagine if it's a 100K challenge, if it's a 100K live account, what we have done is that we charge $1,000 for a 100K account. If it's 200K, maybe $2,000, right? Why do I get charged that $1,000? Because when I make money on that account, I need something that assures that I at least got something out of it, right? So imagine I reach five. So what we tell is all right, we're gonna charge you $1,000, but after the first payout, when we make our profit split, like imagine Bullet's Lifestyle is supposed to get 30% of your payout. Out of our 30%, we will pay what you paid us up front back. So you give us $1,000, we trade your account. When we get the payout and you get your payout, we give you your $1,000 back. If it's a 200K, 2,000, if it's a 300K, 3,000, and so on. And what that does is just assures us that, like, even so imagine you give us $1,000 and we make 5,000 now on your account. Okay, if you run away, at least we fucking made $1,000. I don't fucking know. You know, it's something that tells us, you know, like it's just you know, it's you feel me? Nothing assures when I make somebody money that they're gonna come pay me. The only thing that assures that they're gonna come pay me is, we've never had a problem so far. And why? Because we just keep on getting payouts with our clients. So it makes no sense if we've made you $10,000, $14,000, $20,000, and now Miguel with this month $32,000. We made you $32,000 in 2 months. Why the fuck would you fuck us over? You know, like, there's just so much more to be made. Minimum funded account we need is 25K account. That's why I said the 25. Guys, add the questions in the comment ask the questions here. 25K account is the minimum. Are you trading live accounts differently? Yes, our live accounts get traded differently. That's one of the main things that we talk about. Our live accounts 100% do get traded differently. What I want to do is we have 2 certain clients that I'm going to ask them to hop on a call with us. One of them is going to be very hard because that's the guy that I'm telling you guys he's a fucking stick up the ass. And the other person is probably going to be easy, but we have 2 clients that we've gotten more than 2 payouts with. The first one we got him fucking like 5 payouts with. I want to put them on a video call and do like a little advertisement where they talk about, like, I don't know, the service and shit like that. Or I just expose the shit out of the messages. I have exposed the shit out of the messages before to people, like, for example, AJ. AJ, are you in the chat? AJ, do you not recall when I was like, yo, I don't have to show you this, but let me show you, and I gave you extra assurance, and I showed you the guy sending us where I sent him the crypto wallet, and he sends us, here's the $10,000, and I go, and he was like, I'm gonna scale into $1 million account next, and I was like, all right, girl, thank you, brother, and like, it was just showing you how that was like one of the continuing payouts that we've done with him. I've shown like people like AJ, and AJ actually has the credentials to that live account. Jesus Christ, I showed AJ that. Oh, damn, GG's about to pop right now. Anybody still in this GJ trade? I don't believe. Roshan Paul. Cortec, your challenges, and yeah, you're in this trade still. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way. Shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me. I told her, who are you, ayy? Bangarang. No, your challenge is not in this one, Peter. I'm pretty sure you were in the cell, Peter. Roshan, you didn't win the giveaway, brother. You better get blocked. You don't believe you won the giveaway. This guy Roshan didn't win the giveaway. Transparency, boys. People like this guy are gonna get blocked ASAP. So next time he sends a message, if anything, mods block him. Okay, and I told everybody, make sure you follow my account if you're gonna be in the giveaway. He wins the giveaway, follows the account after he wins the giveaway. First of all, the giveaway was for a VIP giveaway. It was meant for you to be able to win a VIP access. Okay, so first of all, he's supposed to win VIP access. Roshan Paul in the chat, who was saying I did not give him his giveaway. He's supposed to win VIP access. Second of all, he didn't even win because we all saw live that he followed me after the fact. So then he messages me and he says, hey, brother, please give me the win. 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 I go, all right, fine, I'll give you the VIP. He goes, brother, I don't want the VIP. I need money. Send me money. Send me money. Send me money. Out of nowhere, I realized that he's already won money from me somehow. I don't know how. But I've sent him money before because he goes and sends my PayPal a withdraw. He sends my PayPal. He sent to my PayPal a request for, and he sent a request for like more than what my VIP cost. He sent a request from more than what my VIP cost, bruh. He has the balls to come to the chat and tell me he doesn't believe me when I say that I've cashed out more money with my clients. I was about to show them, I was like, what are you doing? I said for the VIP members, I said, I have the messages with you, Paul. I have the messages with you. Look at this. Oh, let me not expose. At one point, I recall saying, if I do pay out any money, I will pay out half of what the VIP cost. And then I remember, let me find the messages. What would we talk on? Where? How the fuck? Expose. I think I deleted the messages with this dude. Yeah, my ass deleted the messages with this dude. Boys, what you need to understand is, guys, I have given away so much money before on live stream. I've given away to people $400 individually, $300 individually. I've had people from the live chat tell me, hey bro, I'm stuck in a bad situation. I really am stuck in a bad situation. I know that yet, can I get $50? I've sent them random $50. I've had students that they've called me before going into their probation test, and they've told me, hey, I'm about to go into probation, I'm about to pee, I'm about to come out drug tested, and I know I'm gonna fail. Any chance you could help and send me money so I could afford a fake piss? I've done that before. I've literally, I don't know, I'm not gonna tell people individually because I see people in the chat here who I've given money to individually. Nothing to do with trading. I've bought Paras a random account. I've bought Century a random account. I've bought boys, I don't know. I've given away so much. So like, it's not that I'm coming at you, Roshan Paul, because you have nothing wrong. You've done nothing wrong. It's just more of like, I just need to be able to set my foot down at one point because, dude, it's just like it's constant. Like, imagine like you trying to, I don't know, just trying to live or trying to do one thing, and it's just, you just have a whole bunch of people always asking you for more and more, and it just gets But Roshan, I'm pretty sure that you realize you lost, brother. I'm pretty sure that you know that you lost because you followed me after the fact, and then you tried convincing me that you didn't follow me after the fact. You know? And I know that you support the channel because you're always here. I just need to be able to like show people, hey, look, if you cheat, or not that even if you cheat, it's not even about a lesson here. It's, first of all, I wasn't never sending money to anybody. It was a VIP. And second of all, I needed to be able to show people, hey, look, I can't just accept this guy, and he wasn't following, and then it's not following, bro. If you want, Roshan, I will add you to the VIP for, I'll put you in the VIP giveaway. I'll put you in the VIP giveaway section for me coming at you like that. It has nothing to do with you. It's just more of like a thing of like, I don't know. As a person, you just have so many people trying to grab you from so many areas. At one point, you just go, pop. But definitely, like, I mean, Roshan, you've been coming to the stream for a fat minute. I recognize your name because you're always here. I don't know. Message, put a message right here, and in the free chat, put what's up. Put what's up. Put hey. Put anything in the free chat on Discord. Yo, what's up with GJ not doing shit, bro? Fuck it, I'm gonna get a chance to be able to scale in. Peter, we're not just fucking scaling on your account right here. Let me go look at my phone. Wow, GJ looks bad on this time frame right here. What was it? 4 hour. This time frame right here gives me sell vibes. This gives me fake buy vibes. Fake buy vibes, which means sell. You know what I mean? Mexican food is good. Tacos, huevos, machaca. See, Duncan is too kind to y'all. I could be mean. I could be there. I could definitely be an asshole. I feel bad about every time I'm an asshole. But I definitely could be an asshole. Who knows? I'm a person that as a child or as like a growing up, and I'm still growing up, you know, I've realized that I'm a little too nice, or I've been in many positions in life where like I have people around me that they're like the type. It's typically like I'm not saying that it's happened to me with girls, but this personality trait usually see it a lot in girls more than guys, because a guy will get his ass fucked up pretty quick and he learns pretty quick. But you know, like that type of person that like you think twice about doing something according to like what the other person might feel or what people around you might say. Like for example, I don't put the TV loud because I don't want people around me to be like, damn, that fucking loud ass TV. Like I'm just conscious of it. But like there's other people that go through life like literally not giving a fuck what the fuck the person next to them thinks, or the person, and like there's obviously a good thing about that, but like I don't know, I just can't do that. Like every time I go anywhere, I'm very worried about like what the person, like for example, if I sit down in a car and I'm driving, I'm just giving small examples. If I go in a car and I'm sitting down to go drive, I will always put up my seat forward if there's somebody behind me. Why? Because every time I go to the back of the fucking car, I feel like I don't fucking fit. So therefore, when somebody comes into my car, I hate them not fitting in my car. Like I just want them to feel. But like a lot of people don't think like that. But like so like what I've realized as a person that's growing up and like I'm just like, damn dude, like I've been walked on by a lot of people like many times. Like so many times I've just been walked on because and it's like I want to learn how to walk on, you know? You got to learn how to walk on. If you know it's if you don't step on, you get stepped on, you know? And I don't know. A little too nice. So and there's definitely bad being too nice, boys. No, never be too nice. You're never gonna get what you want. You're never gonna fucking be able to be that. You know, you gotta be a go-getter. You gotta be viciously. There was a word that somebody gave me like a couple streams ago. They said like they gotta be. There's a certain word I'm looking for. It's like aggressive, but not aggressive, but like, you know, ready. Like I don't know. Maybe somebody could come up with a good vocabulary word. Was it you, Van Post? You know what I'm talking about? You gave me like a word. It was like it's like that. Just like it's such a perfect, like it was a great explanation. Relentless. You gotta be, yes. You gotta be like. There's another word that should go in front of relentless, like meticulously relentless, or like I don't know what the word should be, but there should be like something relentless. You have to be relentless, but forgivingly relentless or passively relentless, or like I don't know what the word is, but it's something. DJ one-way train on moving averages. Yeah, the moving averages are just giving us beautiful indicators that we're gonna be fucking going right now. I'm still holding my trade, boys. Firm. What was the... Boys, this is the spreadsheet for the month. 10-1-1. That is a W. Oh.
It started season. I need my chairman, he always go remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and Phantom won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never line, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. They go on my line, but I never be hitting the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing they cap. I got back up so no one won't scrap. Can put us on safe, we power like a strap. By the blood, they hate it. By the chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking.
Aw, Buggy, you're awesome. You should never lose 9% quality. Always think about others, helping others is quality. If we're trying to be out of it, need it, keep it. Buggy. I apologize that we've been on pause. Buggy, for example, I told you to wait a week, and then you waited a week, and I completely just forgot about you because you never told me anything. And you thought that I bought it for you. What I need you to do is I'm gonna ask for your login so I can log onto your account and I can purchase that for you. I need to purchase it for you. I can't just purchase it myself and then give it to you because it's gonna be under my name, and prop firms don't allow that type of stuff anymore. So I need it to be under your name. Like I can't transfer the account to you. Buggy texted me something around the lines of, you know, he said, regardless of what you think, being a good person is a strong ass quality. Don't matter if you think that you're a little bit too nice, be nice and keep on seeing what's going to come to you in this world, etc. And I agree with that. I like that. Oh, my boy looking for multiple BBCs. Tamilia says, where is everyone from? Where's everyone from in the chat? Where we got everybody from? We got a bunch of Canadians in here. We got a bunch of Canadians, eh? I feel like we got a whole bunch of Canadians in this bitch. Fucking Canadians. Jay is from the UK. Paras is from the UAE. Marcus, you're from LA? Cortex, German. We got Australia in the house. Tehran in the house. Brunel. Antarctica, that is cap. South Africa, the motherland. Spain. What's your favorite Spanish soccer team? Should I say football team? What's your favorite Spanish football team? Bangladesh. Oh, Paras is from Bangladesh also. Viva Mexico. Viva Mexico, carajo. Orale. Scotland. Oh, hell nah. That boy said hell nah. He ain't from Bangladesh. Real Madrid. Papi. Aupatleti. 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 Los colchoneros. ¿Qué hora es, muchachos? Kenya. Adele. Tijuana. Bahrain. Oh, you're from Bahrain? Wait. You're from Bara. Boys, did I say it correct? ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? I'm not even gonna try to say it again. Fucking no Sabo kids. I feel like AJ's a no Sabo kid. AJ's not here, but I feel like AJ's a no Sabo kid. How long have you been trading, my boy? I've been trading for the last 5 years. 5, almost 6 years. Look who we have in the chat, boys. Can we get some W Miguel's in the chat? Can we get some W Miguel's in the chat, please, boys? Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my I don't give a fuck. That's my persona. Boys, let's get some W's in the chat for Miguel. Miguel, now let me ask you. I've been talking about your trades with the bot, and I don't know if you're trying to trick me. Are those your trades or are those the bot trades? How is the bot so in love with sells, just like you? What is this? Is this the bot actually taking the sells, or is this you taking the sells? What's actually happening here? Because the bot is in love with sells, kind of just like you. So either Either the bot is your baby, or you're the bot's baby. I hope that boy's out of cells though, because we in buys and we going. When's the last time we saw Miguel on a live? Peter, when's the last time we saw Miguel on a live stream, bro? Can we remember Miguel's last live stream? Was it a W or was it an L? Y'all remember? Peter got the date. Peter got that shit. Peter got the date and everything. Amin says it was an L. Who the fuck is this guy? Who the fuck is Miguel? Dude, Van Post. Miguel's the guy that helps me run the whole Bullish Lifestyle, team, the whole Bullish Lifestyle company. Hey kiddo, what's your official TP? I mean, realistically, official TP has to be like in another 30 pips right now, maybe another 30 pips. But it really depends on how we approach that 30 pips. If we go right now up to 185.410, 185.450, and we're going with momentum, there's a strong chance that we reach all the way to 186 by the end of New York session. Duncan, do you think CAD CPI will ever affect USD pairs later today? CAD CPI will affect USD pairs today. Now, will it give a major effect? No, but there definitely will be a reaction. Stop loss to entry. Stop loss should be at entry. Yes. Do I have my stop loss at entry? Fuck no. Cortec, your stop loss is not at entry. No, we're holding the stop loss. I have a feeling that the stop loss, the break even could get hit, but the stop loss won't. You know. We're gonna scale into this shit if it comes down anymore. Cortec, your challenge is being passed by the end of this week, boy. Make sure you get that phase 2 ready. Oh, boys. He got promoted to CEO, so he's not showing up anymore. Yo, Peter, you're here every day, no matter what. Peter's one of those people that are. I mean, Arnold is also. Obviously, Van Post, that's his thing. But like, there's certain people that are here every single day, no matter what, and it's like, dude, I know you guys. Like, those are the guys that I just know are like. I mean, maybe it won't be because of my stream. Maybe it won't be next year. Won't be, dude. Just that same persistence that you guys got for showing up every single day to the streams. It's the same persistence that you got to give behind anything that you do. It's the same persistence that's gonna make you be successful. I fucking love that shit. Like Badas is another example. Brother's only fucking 17, 18 years old, coming to the stream every single day and trying to figure this thing out. 17, 18 years old, I was goddamn on the street smoking weed, trying to get fucking pussy. You know, you out here fucking trying to figure out how to, you know, figure out a future. So congratulations to Badas. And congratulations to everybody who's always here every single day. Boys, I gotta go use the restroom real quick. Huele a mota. Burde mota. Buena cocaína mexicana. Brother. ¿Dónde están los latinos acá? ¿Dónde están los latinos en el chat? Uno si eres un latino en el chat. Si eres un latino, pon uno en el chat. Quiero saber quiénes son latinos acá. Anybody see Miss Nicaragua win, bro? Everybody seen the Miss Nicaragua? Look, bro, this bitch should have won yesterday, or was it 2 days ago? That girl should have won the Miss Universe. Nicaragua won that shit. Everybody in the this girl in the finals, everybody was, dude. Majority of people were going for this bitch. This bitch just didn't know how to fucking speak and give some good answers. But then, like the Miss Beauty pageant, this bitch should have won that shit. Should have been won that shit. A complete baddie. Peter. Peter's like, no, I'm done. No, I'm telling. Peter's not with it. Yeah, I saw the Miss Universe shit. I only saw the Miss Universe. I mean, I didn't see it. I was sleeping while my girlfriend watched it. My girlfriend told me all about it when it happened. And then I go on TikTok and I see that the #1 comment on like the first Miss Beauty pageant, but like the first comment that I see was Nicaragua killed that walk, but Chile came with the heat. And I looked at all the girls and not being biased, but the the Chilean girl was fucking hot as dick compared to everybody else. I don't know what the fuck went down. Like, what the fuck? Look. 2023 Miss Universe finalist. Let's see if we get a photo of the finalist. Nah, that's not even the finalist. I don't even know. Truthfully, I don't even know how to fucking. I mean, they're all obviously fucking hot, but just like. This bitch should have won, bro. Nicaragua won. There's a girl with a BB. Yo, there was like 2 or 3 tranny Miss Universes. They were literally like guys. I'm looking. I'm like, ooh, damn! I tapped that. She got a nice and out of nowhere, they fucking go. Like they just mentioned that this is what this person did, and oh yeah, and she fucking changed from being a man to being a woman. I'm like, what? What? What you talking about, bro? Man or woman? That's a thing? We out here fucking evolving like some sort of Pokemon. Fucking, what was it called? Kind of like y'all saw. Oh, this girl, she was killing it also. You gotta show love to everybody, huh? Who's that? Is that Miss Nicaragua? What? The Chilean bitch is finer than her. Are you kidding me? Isn't this the Chilean girl? Oh, that's the Chilean girl. That one's the Chilean girl. What? How you lose, girl? Alright, guys. Who's the top here? We got 1. 1's in the chat for this girl. 2's in the chat for this girl. 3's in the chat for this girl. This girl's pretty fine. Who's this? Miss Venezuela, of course. 4's in the chat for this girl. Honestly, for her being like darker skinned and like she's fine as fuck for wherever she's from. So we had, I don't know. We had 1's. This is for paras. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, she's fine. 11. But still, dude, the Chilean bitch is finer than all these. Are you guys kidding me? I'm not even trying to be biased. I'm just being straight the fuck up. Isn't the Chilean girl the finest out of all these, bro? You telling me that this girl's not the prettiest? Why no blonde chicks? So the blonde, yeah, that is a very valid. There you go. The Australians were very fine. They were just a little too skinny. And then, I mean, yeah, there wasn't many blonde ones. The blonde ones, like you see, Australia. This girl was 19 years old. That Australian bitch is 19 years old. I was like, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I remember seeing Peru. I saw Peru and I was like, yo, Peru's fine as fuck. Like, girl, you Peruvian, bro? For real? Since when? For Peter, right? Dude, I'm telling you, Peter. Yo, Cortec. Yo, oh my god, Cortec. Anton says, you will lose this trade. Anton, I already won. How can I lose when I already won? Or should I say what Dr. Dollar says? Even when I lose, I'm winning. Peru, good agriculture. I don't even know what the fuck that means. Yo, why did the chart stop moving when I hop onto the chart? Why when I hop on, like we decide to not go anywhere in life? Guys, I'm gonna put you guys on mute for a second. I'm gonna call Miguel.
I say yo bitch a party, call her fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, sending niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I be sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you a star? There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They living the facade, always wanting what I got. Morgan Freeman, how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the treaty of Versailles. At this point I've been at war with all these niggas. I say yo bitch a party, call her fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, sending niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play.
Yo, won't stop shooting till the whole thing's empty. Better take this L like MP or Zeki. Swinging my blade, don't tempt me. Farm blocks, late night, no entry. Sentry, Pookies, all in a rest me. Yo, man get sought like Jezzy. 5 AM getting it for murder. No further, he got John, no wellies. Lonely got John, no wellies. No one to answer, we can't see clear. Foot on the clutch into gear. Wine on the window, they all disappear. The neighbours like, what happened here? Donny got shaved, but he still got hair. Big drip, little drip got tear. Got me with Lurk, you be had big man scared.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it. Tune man down, now it's Canada's ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the voyage. We came right back and it done 2 glutens. Chill in the same spot, what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Spot any ops, don't think, just do it. 100% Rose, he's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catch him, beam man up and then vanish. Free Boogie B, well known savage. Pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day, me and Nabs went on alert. Didn't see nothing, just one little strangers. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking.
Yo,
too late, oh damn, he's
I
capping.
see Broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad come to the nist for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe it.
Without, that's my big pal. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If you chill with the ops, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. New bando, I don't chase no clout. I just hit the up, he smoke it and I'm out. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT popping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, I lost on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when cool starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad come to the nist for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe it. Riding, tap it, this shit's fantastic. Hey broski, pass me the dot. Watchman hops, got trip, get cabbage. Both baby got shotties and daggers. Hammers, pull up and ops in it, dashing. Head to the blocker, just on the mad team, sad team. Done up a youth, no manners. Still too specific, forget what happened. Angle arms, I swing it. Dip it, rip it, twist it, kill it. Everyone's bad till bro starts chinging. Gunshot, holy, you in existence. We caught one, he left his misses. Pull up on my block, his scripts we're flipping. 3 doors, pop shotgun, get lifted. If you got him, you would see him on
I see
pictures.
broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT popping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, I lost on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when cool starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad come to the nist for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swipe.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust, yeah. I call a Uber if I drink too much, yeah. Hit these niggas with a Ruger, I don't play too much. My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Brycey. I need a meal, I might just do it, call me Nike. These boys my son, I know they wanna be just like me. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. If you know it blow you up, yeah. Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks.
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run
Oh, my bad, boys. I'm coming back to the call. I'm coming back right now. I'll leave you guys I'll leave you guys on mute so you guys could listen. Or I was gonna say, remember, CJ never gave us the account. So like, CJ has her live account. Well, I really wish we had her credentials so I could see how her live account's going. I bet you it's in drawdown. Nonetheless. I know, but once somebody tells me one thing and then they change it, and now who knows, you know, what if we give her 2 live accounts and she's like, oh, I could just take a buy 20 lot on one, buy, sell 20 lot on another. Alright, whatever. But you're still, what, you're 6K away from passing her account? Or phase 2? Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, when we pass that and then after everything is closed,
Alrighty. Well, I gave you that other live account right now. Remember, don't go too crazy on Ghost's account because he's never paid us anything. He's up $1,000. There's no reason for us to go even more on that account. Yeah, go to 3-4%. What is it? It's a 50-50 payout with him? 40-40, so we're getting 40%. So if it's $4,000, 40% of $4,000. I mean, just get something so we can try to figure out how if he's going to be paying us. And then we also have, what about his account that's in 5% drawdown that he gave us? With a 3% drawdown account. Wait, it's down? Oh, it's at 2.5% drawdown? Or it's back to down 5?
Yeah, it's 2.5% down because he made 2.5 and then he gave it to us.
Yeah, that's why he gave it. He said that I told him not to give it to us when it was down 5%. Then he made 2.5%. He goes, how about you want this one? Because the last one he gave me that I gave you right now, that live account was down 2%, and I recovered it.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get the drawdown account, and you get the account that's up, and
It's at the $1,000 is right there. If you want, fuck it. I'm not gonna take any more. I mean, the only thing I take is a GJ long. So don't you dare take a GJ short on the. Actually, I don't know. Do whatever you want. If you feel like taking a trade on that live account, take a trade on the live account. You're gonna make 4 to 5K on that account. Okay, well, I mean, as long as you have his other live account, he's gonna want to pay us out because we have his other live account. I guess that's the best way we could put it.
Yeah, no, the ones that the profit just leave it like that. I don't think the ones that we can draw.
Okay, and then how much are you up on Dill's account? You said around 10,000. 10K? You're up 10. So you're up. Wow. So you were well. Yesterday you were up 8.
It's a 10K payout, bro.
Yeah, no, leave it at 10K. Leave it at 10K because I still have his phase 2 that he passed me that's down. He passed it to me down. It's still down. And I don't know. I just don't want to. I want to get that payout. I want to make sure that we're. I don't know. I mean, imagine I fail his phase 2 that's in drawdown. Then I don't want him to be like.
Essentially, the picture. You can show him the chat too.
This is the live account?
Yep.
10,000. Thank God, dude. He's gonna be so happy. No?
Dude, I told you I was not worried. Like, I had this, you know?
I know. The thing is, I was worried because I have his account in drawdown, so I don't want your account in drawdown, my account in drawdown, and then we have them both in drawdown.
Yeah, but I know my drawdown was like not that drawdown, you know? Because I knew I was waiting for the move. Just like my move got a stop loss it.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to stream.
And that's Eric, but that's Ashley's dad.
Oh wait, you have Ashley? Let me see. Oh shit, you sent me hella accounts. Who's that 210? Oh, this is CJ's.
No, that's Ashley's dad. And then CJ's. I mean, you can see CJ's. CJ's is 14K. And
wait, but is Ashley's dad? That's a phase 1, right?
Yeah, that's a phase 1.
Alright, good shit. I'm gonna get back to stream. What the hell did you do? Is this me?
Me?
Did I do this? Yo, Cortec, you're in the chat, right? Why did I hop in a... You didn't take a sell on any of my accounts, right? Did I? Why is there a sell going on right now?
It's not me. I haven't took nothing.
The fuck? Did I hop in a position by accident, dude? Or is that Cortec?
Let me see. I can see here.
You can see here? What? Look, I was in a 1.5. I just barely closed my 1.5 lot buy because I.
Yeah, good shit. You made money there.
Yeah, no, I know, but I was in. Did that 1.5 lot sell come from me?
Cortec, nope.
Came from Quartec?
I think so. Wait, let me check.
I closed out the buy because I don't want it to think that I'm fucking buying one position, selling another position, and then we get fucking in trouble for trying
Oh
to.
no, I can't see that. Cortec is the only account that I don't have a commentary right now.
Oh yeah. Whatever, I'm gonna figure this out. If he's in the chat, he should be in the chat, but I know he wouldn't be fucking taking trades because he's not a.
Ask him.
Quartec, why is there a 1.5 lot sell? Did you take that Quartec? That's very weird. Alright, I'm gonna get back to stream, brother. Good shit, Miguel.
Alright.
Please don't touch Dale's account. Leave it at that. I have Dale's account that's down, so we need to figure it out.
Okay.
When is the payout?
I don't know. I'm texting right now.
Alright, well, you just barely made a shit ton of money, brother, so good shit.
Thank you.
Go to Colombia and enjoy it.
Let's see.
Go pay off that mortgage of yours.
The next 2 months, real shit. That's helpful. That's super helpful.
Alright, I need to go use the restroom and I'm gonna go back to the stream. I'm gonna try catching a trade on stream. I sent a signal right when I woke up and
Alright.
it hit.
Get sign up for the membership.
Yes, guys. Make sure you guys sign up for the membership if you guys want to be a part of the VIP, where we're sending all the trades. And also, the bot's been popping off. So the Delta Wizard EA is what really has been catching all these crazy ass trades that we've been posting on the Instagram, boys.
Yep. If you want the VIP, you can get the VIP. If you want the Delta EA, the bot, you can get it. If you want both, you can also.
Oh,
get
so
it.
the Delta. So yeah. If you guys want the VIP with the bot, that's the Diamond VIP, no?
No, it's golden.
Gold VIP is our VIP with a. The explanations are there, but it needs to be a little bit more clear. Oh, it says it right here. Oh, the images. The images is what we need. The images says it all.
Yeah.
Gold VIP, you get our signals with the bot signals. If not, you just get our signals with the VIP. If not, you just get the bot signals. Okay. All right.
You can see all the links in the Discord or in the link tree in the British Lifestyle profile in Instagram.
Okay, I'm wondering why. Or talk to you after. Bye.
All right, bye.
My bad for that long call, boys. Hi, babe. How's everything? ¿Por qué no duermes tú? ¿Dormiste mucho? Guys, Quartec, are you in the chat, brother? ¿Qué serie? ¿Pero es española, así? ¿Española? ¿Turquesa, digo, europea? Mexicana. You like the GG pattern on the 15-minute? And I think GJ is bullish, man. I think GJ is bullish. I just barely closed out completely on my trade. But because I was in a 1 point, I don't know why I counter trend trade. I don't know what the fuck happened. I don't know if Vortex took this position or I took this position. I need to blow my nose, boys. I'm gonna go blow my nose real quick, boys. Duncan, is your girl from Spain also? No, she's Venezuelan. Dame un segundo. 1 second. Oh my God.
She tryna stay, concentrate, gotta get the bag, I'm running late. I gotta say, I'm feeling great, had to skate. I said it's fate, I penetrate. Tell me, hold me a pack, then I gotta meet up. Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon, let's do my song. Put you on, I break you off. I want the job. If you sneaking on a nigga, I'ma find out. Whip it right out. 20 bitches in the Jeep, they had to climb out. Why these people staring? Why they hating on me? I'm taking flights to London, out of Germany. I get the pack and I flip it back, it's overseas. She getting wet when she hear my voice and
Huh? No, is it a cheaper as yours? ¿That one? ¿Y por qué me hace como la tuya? Being on a chicken, I guess, I'm gonna work. There is a little bit, right? Duncan, ¿qué hora es? It's 6:43 where I am. Son las 6:43. It's early, boys. The chart has gone nowhere, boys. I've been on stream talking shit. Ezequiel. That's his name. Says, what the fuck? I'm from Venezuela too, homie. What's so funny is that my girl's brother's name is Ezequiel. I'm not sure if that's your name. And he's Venezuelan also, obviously. Ezequiel. That's he put EZEQU1 como el I EL Ezequiel CS. That's pretty sure that's what it says. He goes, no shit. I swear to God. I mean, I actually thought you were him. I'm not kidding you. I thought you were him. I mentioned this, right, babe? I mentioned to you this like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Or, te dije, oye, hay alguien que se llama Ezequiel. Because you followed me on Instagram or something. I think your name is also Ezequiel. He goes, that's my second name. Ritzander Ezequiel. La cocaína. No, dice por la cocina colombiana. La cocina Colombia only. La cocina Colombia only. I think he meant to put la cocaína. Those silk shorts always keep my... Yo! What? Does somebody put that their silk shorts always keeps their balls fresh? No, gracias, estoy como llenito. Me gustó, pero no sé. I don't know. I'm not in the mood. Huh? A little bit. I don't know. Unas mascadas. Unas mascadas me dio como asco, no sé. I wasn't really with it. Fuck where Alright, boys. What other streamers are online in a trade? Because if we would have taken this gold trade, we would have been nowhere by now. And if we would have hopped into gold, I mean, gold's GJ sells from where Anton. Was it Anton that said it? Or there was somebody who was saying, man, this thing's about to melt out. I mean, it's gone down a couple pips. And I indicated to you that the 4 hour does not look the best. I'm actually pretty happy with the close that I did. Babe, Miguel made all the money back yesterday. He made $10,000 on that account right now. ¿Él? ¿Por qué? Oh, como que después de perder. Él no le importó, él no estaba ni ahí. Pero obviamente, o sea, ¿no te acuerdas que hace 2 meses, 3 meses, that he made $16,000 and he lost it all? You know that $16,000 would have been a huge difference for them. So right now, I told him like, hey, please don't touch that money. Don't touch that money. Y le fui y le dije que es mentira. Le dije, oye, yo voy abajo en una cuenta del mismo gallo. Así que no toques ese dinero Para que no nos empiece a... Porque si haces más dinero, se va a poner más risky on how much, if he's going to give it to us. I'm not down on his account. I just can't afford Miguel if I can do some crazy shit. Dude, Miguel's a fucking maniac, boys. Miguel's the type of dude... Oh, Miguel's in the chat. puso carita como with a slanted face. Alright, maybe he heard everything. He goes, at least mute the mic. There's nothing to hide, Miguel. Everyone's always wants me to mute my mic and stop exposing. There's nothing to expose. I was telling her about, I was like, bro, man, Miguel made 16K like 2 months ago, and then the 16K fucking profits got blown. I was like, let's just make sure we don't fucking blow no 16K profits right now. Keep all the profits. I am the master exposer, brother. Y'all gotta be careful with what you tell me and what you show me, because I'm ready to fucking... The chat loves hearing. As long as the chat likes hearing what I got to say, I'm gonna keep saying it all. That's so funny. What, you gonna tell me some shit to another? You guys are funny, chat. All right, Miguel or chat, how does the background music sound? Because this is like the new wave of what we're gonna have to start putting, so we don't get like. Honestly, Bullish Lifestyle is now gonna start making money off of you guys sticking around in the streams with us. We're gonna make money off of revenue here, because we ain't putting no good music anymore. We got this bullshit ass music on in the background, so I'm actually making money off of you guys sitting down here in the chat doing nothing. I have music on that's like non-copyright music, so it's like música esa. ¿Te acuerdas cuando YouTube empezó y había como esa música típica en cada video? It's like elevator music that belongs to nobody. And but what's good about that is that now I make money off of my videos. Oh. I don't make a lot of money, but I make money for having this. So what people typically do, what traders usually do, is that they go on the charts. And they act like they're trading. You know, they just talk about the charts and they stick around there for like 4 or 5 hours, and they have a whole bunch of people waiting in there doing nothing, and they make a whole bunch of money off of everybody in there doing nothing. And they just gotta sit their pretty asses down and do nothing. That's why I'd always put music to be like, look, bro, I don't need the money off of you guys sitting down here. And we trading. We get onto the charts and we're looking for a trade. We're not sitting around fucking what goddamn 6ix9ine does or that other motherfucker does. The one who preaches, where they get on live stream and they are on for 5 hours and they still don't even take a trade. But we might change it up now, boys. We might start having you guys just wait in here and just, you know, help me get some fucking watch time. Huh? Echo. Yeah. I like this mic. This mic supposedly sounds better, even though this mic's better. I got this mic here also, boys. Bro, you asked for me. What does that mean? Bro, you asked for me. Mind pleaser. Did I ask for you? Bro, you asked. And GJ is going nowhere as well. I mean, gold. Gold actually gives me vibes that needs to flip bearish. What I was about to say, I just didn't know if Miguel was going to be like, yo, don't say that. I was going to say everything that we make on YouTube, which I'm pretty sure it's like pennies and cents. Like, I'm pretty sure at the end of the month, I'll see like fucking like $20, $30, $40. Maybe if there's a whole bunch of views, will be like maybe like $100 at the end of the month. But I think that everything YouTube revenue wise, I'm down to give it away to the stream to you guys. I'll literally show you guys the YouTube studio and I'll show you guys how much it says that we make, and I'll literally give it all away. I have no interest in keeping it. I have an interest in seeing it grow. Like, I think it's pretty cool that I'll make money off being on live stream. Never really wanted to, but I think it'll be dope. But yeah, I'll give you guys the money away. Miguel agrees. I agree. Then everything YouTube revenue wise, since you guys stick around for the live streams, we'll do giveaways with the YouTube revenue live stream. The way we take the YouTube revenue live stream is just by going to YouTube. We just go to studio, and then we go to like analytics or something like that, and it should tell us. Let me switch account. Exposing! Exposing! Imagine there was something actually I'm not supposed to be able to show in the YouTube studio. Where does YouTube studio? I can't see because of my headphones. YouTube studio. Look at this shit, boys. I have 2 out of 3 copyright strikes. No, fuck that. Boys, I got 2 out of 3 copyright strikes. Like, they coming for me, boys. If it happens again, if you violate this policy again within 90 days of completing the policy training, you'll get a strike. If you are able to do, you won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for 1 week. No, I know. Don't say that. The code isn't even here on the screen. Analytics. Where does it talk about how much? Oh, earn. Found it. I remember I've seen a place before where it says like revenue and then it just shows you a number, and obviously ours says 0, but I wanted to see if I could find the revenue spot again. Oh, right here. Let me just make sure this doesn't say anything. Analytics. No, this doesn't have any of my codes, nothing to expose here. Analytics, estimated revenue. So I think we're gonna make revenue off this live stream, today's live stream. So let's see what the fuck. I think we're gonna make like 20 cents. Dollar got cut off because he showed something from Roobet. You're not supposed to show the, I think off Roobet, you're not allowed to show the, like for example, you can't show the link on the top if the link on the top gets exposed. But yeah, no, we haven't made any revenue. If whoever does know how to calculate revenue, if you guys do want to calculate how much revenue you think that we'll be able to make, do so. Look, it says off all the views that we have, we'll make 0.003 cents. That's pretty funny. You have didn't enabled super chat option. What's a super chat option? Doesn't YouTube have its own playlist you could use? I'm not sure if anybody is aware of that stuff. You haven't enabled it. What is that though, Paras? What is the super chat option? Oh, okay. I don't want anybody to donate to me though. Fuck that. So this one has 2 comments. Dr. Dollar trolled trade sharp with Donna. Can I get a song request? No me quiero casar. No puedo poner música. I can't put music like that, boys, or else I'm gonna get a copyright strike.
I'm replacing that. Memories, I'm erasing that. Gotta go, I'm escaping that. Matter of fact, I'm upgrading. Got me a couple of dimes in my rotation. One in relations. Bigger than no conversation. Ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another dog. Now she want me as a crush. She want me to eat it like lunch. Make the look go fall in love. If I was to give you a chance, I promise it'd only be one. Find out you take it for granted. You get it left in the dust. You get it left in the past tense. Can't treat me right, then I just gotta dip advantage. Said your ex, he left you trash. Just because you sad and damaged, don't give you the right to hand it out. But it's too late now. Yeah, it's too late now.
I'm getting them from Paras. Oh, he trolled him with donations. But what do you mean troll him with donations? I could go onto another streamer, just start donating. If I go onto another streamer and I start donating $1, isn't that me self-promoting myself? Isn't that me like just going and stealing everybody's goddamn... It's like I could literally go right now onto anybody else's stream and tell everybody to go there. Oh, he was shit talking him. You see, I don't even talk to Dollar like that about who he likes or who he dislikes in the industry. But I always say, man, I think trading sharp is a fucking, I don't know, I think he ugly as hell, boy. That's literally what Dollar did. I guess that's what you do to promote your stream. You want to start streaming. Boys, y'all want to start streaming? Just start going to other motherfuckers' stream and start trolling off them. Dollar's smart. He knows what he's doing. He said, let me go steal some clientele. I respect your honesty. I am calling it how I see it. You ugly as fuck. You ugly as fuck. Sharp was pissed as fuck. I bet he was. Boy, if we were to go to Sharp's channel and we were to let Sharp's channel see us trade and see how we are on this live stream, boy, he would be pissed as fuck. And it's the same way that most streamers would be pissed as fuck if me, were to go on their stream. It's the reality of this Forex industry, boys. It's the reality of how shit goes. Yeah, man.
It's one hell of a life. No, we moving fast, so I'm taking my time. 23 like I'm Janice Prom. Put my money on you, baby girl, you would die. Ride for my brothers, know I'm dying for mine. Take my heart, I don't want it back. Like that last bitch left, but I got it back. And you know you nearly gave a kid a heart attack. I'm just happy.
You're the only entertaining streamer, though. I'm pretty sure Dollar's streams are entertaining as well. The other one at the board, he just... That's funny. Would it be too late to enter in another trade right now? I feel like GG needs to retrace, and we have no volume. Let's wait for this fucking... Let's at least wait for another 15-minute candlestick to go. If anything, I like longs more than sells, but the higher time frames do not look good. King Abe. I'm pretty sure he don't even know how to trade. I'm just kidding. I've never heard anything. I mean, I don't know. There are other streamers that do, like, for example, I know that Luca No Limit. Luca No Limit's an awesome guy. Luca No Limit, I've never met him in person before, but he's always telling me that he wants to link, and he's always down. He's always telling me that he always says, hey bro, do you want me to go to your live stream, or do you want to come to mine? Whatever you want to do, blah 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 blah. That type of approach is, those people are really good people in the industry. They're like people that, there's people like that don't want others to be successful because they feel like it takes away from their success, or they're scared that they're gonna get exposed for, like, you know, for being, you know, for example, like the more people that get, you know, the more people that get famous around JP Savage, or the more people that are gonna realize, hey, JP Savage is a scammer. The more people that get famous around et cetera amount of people. And so it's like, and the names go so on, but like, I don't know, there's other people that really don't care because they have nothing to hide. I will say I'm one of them. Luca is another one. Luca, man, put me on your stream, put me on my stream. I have nothing to take away from you. You have nothing to take away from me. I got nothing to hide. Let's see what we can get done. But there's a lot of people that won't do that. A lot of people that won't do shit like that. Or that won't even give you the chance to hop onto their stream because they think that it's taking away from their stream. Who is Luca? Luca is one of the, he's really known in the industry. He does, yeah, Luca No Limit, there you go. Yeah, he's super cool. I don't know Sebastian Pereira. I used to know a guy named Sebastian Pereira. I used to be a DJ.
Alex, run that shit back. Hey, yo, Hypno, that shit fire, bro.
Yo, ever since I got on, you guys realize this is, I mean, it's been a decent session because it hasn't been super boring, but like, boys, in the last, this is how much we moved. Like, this is the measuring tape. We put the measuring tape from here to here. In 2 hours and 30 minutes, we've moved 19.2 candlesticks. 19.2 pips. 19.2 pips in 2 hours and 30 minutes. We've been online for 2 hours and 30 minutes. So basically, since we got on live stream, the candlesticks have moved 2 hours. And I mean, it's moved 20 pips. Right? That's what I'm about to say, Paras. Do you mind explaining a little bit on how to tell if it's an ugly candle, please? So what I get you mean by ugly candle, it's an uncertain candle, as in like anything could happen, therefore it's like up for grabs. I mean, so ugly candle, I'm not sure exactly what you mean, but I'll tell you why this could be considered an ugly candle. It could be considered because there's contradicting factors. We're at a huge reversal zone, right? Huge reversal zone. As you guys can see, these circles are, I'm telling you, where we've had huge wick rejections. You know, there's a whole bunch of bullish momentum, but as well, we're beneath the 8 SMA. So it's contradicting us right now, boys, because right now we're beneath the 8 SMA on the 4 hour. So therefore, we should be bearish, 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 bearish. But then we're getting huge indications right here saying, hey, we're having rejections to the top side, rejections to the top side, rejections to the top side. So that, you know, makes it an ugly candlestick. Me looking at the higher time frames, like I told you, I think it looks like a sell. But we're not above the 8 SMA yet. This looks like it needs to get wick filled, but it needs to get wick filled in an area that it keeps on rejecting on. So it's like at any moment we could just leave a wick. So it's just a very uncertain area to trade. So ugly candlestick in terms of like the 4 hour, in terms of the daily. But if, you know, an ugly candlestick, if you just go into more interior. So if we are looking at a daily and the daily says, we say the daily is an ugly candlestick. Let's look at, you know, if you look at the 30-minute, you're going to see why it's ugly because of the price action within that candlestick. A fat model you should avoid is just whenever there's contradicting factors, kind of just like how I explained. Like right now, I want to hop into a trade due to the fact that the 4 hour is just making so much momentum to the downside, but also I wouldn't want to hop into a sell in an area that has just so much momentum to just turn around. It's just like, so any setup that you feel like, the more setups that you take and the more you come to the charts and actually focus really well, Harry, the more, every time I take a trade for my Bullish Lifestyle members, they always ask me, what do you think is the percent chance of this trade hitting? I have a percentage chance in my head for every trade that I take. I go, this trade has a 50% chance of hitting. I wouldn't take a 50% chance of trade would have been. This trade has a 60% chance. This trade has a 70% chance. This trade has an 80% chance, and so on. Now, are they exactly correct? No, like they're my percentage chances in the head. Nonetheless, they're accurate and to some certain degree of, like, you know, And whenever you're looking at trades that, you know, you're around 50 to 60% of it hitting, as in you're like, oh, this looks like it's bullish, but also looks like it's bearish. It looks like it can do this, but I've seen it do this, but I've seen it do this. That's the trades you don't want to be in, and that's what's hard for a lot of traders, to be patient enough to actually find a setup where it doesn't just look like it's bullish, it doesn't just look like it's bearish, but I mean, or it doesn't look like it's only bullish, but as well, look at it, like find an actual trade that looks only bullish, no reasons why you can see why it's bearish, and just like and hold through the full drawdown. And like those are the trades that people need to learn how to take, like the confident ones that they just are assured and they'll hold through drawdown, they'll hold through everything just because of how much assured they were before they hopped in. You can't hop into a trade that you're iffy about and then expect to be able to hold a straight full 30 pip stop loss. Most people are going to close out their trade early. Most people are not going to like their trade once they're into drawdown. They'll like it when they're in break even, they'll like it when they're in profit, and they're not going to like it. Me, when I hop in a trade, I like the trade when I'm in profit, I like the trade when I'm in break even, I like the trade when I'm in drawdown. A lot of people, if you're hopping into the trade and you don't like it when you're in drawdown, you are taking the wrong trades. I don't know why you executed. That's why a lot of the trades that I take, boys, I tell you guys, hey, we're going to enter here. There could be a lot of drawdown. Nonetheless, we're still going to take it because I don't mind if the trade goes into drawdown. There should be a reaction level, you know, somewhat in our stop loss. Eminem, man, who's that? They call me Skittle. Sour Skittle, because I'm lightning fast. Boys, but the charts aren't going anywhere, boys. Who the fuck? Who the fuck is that guy? Dude, that meme is so funny. Only truthers here, dude. I'm a truther. Alright, boys, as GG comes back down and there's no volume, man, Bullish Lifestyle members, I really love that you guys came to support the channel. I'm glad for whoever got to take the trade because they were paying attention to the Discord signals. I sent it to everybody twice. Hopefully everybody got to take it who wanted to be able to take it. Tomorrow we will be on live stream for pre-London. I assure you guys 100% promise from the bottom of my heart I will be there. I knew I wasn't going to be here for pre-London session. That's why I never said I was going to be here for pre-London session. I'm telling you guys that I'm going to be here for tomorrow's pre-London session, Eminem style. So tomorrow we will be here for pre-London. Live stream starts 1 hour before London session, boys. If you guys don't want to miss out on my live stream trade, boys, check out the record. If you guys don't want to miss out on my live stream trade tomorrow, pre-London session, 1 hour before London Open, I will start the live stream. 1 hour before London Open. And then we will be on live stream, you know, probably for 2-3 hours, max 4. Right now we've been on for 3 hours. Sorry, I apologize, boys. I apologize. I was trying to figure out this copyright thing. I had to do copyright school. Which was basically telling me, explaining to me how to teach me. Don't miss out on the bot. Definitely don't miss out on the bot's trades, boys. The bot hasn't been popping off, and the bot is what's helped us catch these fucking 2 major sells these last 2 days. Check out the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram, you'll be able to see it. Remember, bot, the Bullish Lifestyle VIP, all these VIPs that we offer come with free trials as well. So when you sign up, it is not over. It is a free trial that you are going to be able to get and see if you want to be able to actually be a part of the program, because we don't want anybody a part of the program that doesn't want to be there. So go and test it out to see if you want to be a part of the program before you join. Boys, thank you so much for being here on the stream. Much love to everybody who came and joined. I was planning on staying here to New York session. New York is in an hour and 30 minutes, and we've gone nowhere, boys. We got nowhere, and it's like, you know, like there's only so much more that we could talk about and start doing. So, man, much love to everybody who came and joined the stream. Guys, make sure you guys go and show support on our Instagram, Bullish Lifestyle, Discord, everything. Thanks for being here, Gia. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate it, Gia. Bro, check IG after. I'll check your messages right away, Peter. All good. We'll see you tomorrow. Peter, thank you for joining like every single day. Peter, thank you for being fucking such a good thank you for being such a good supporter, man. Being one of the good OGs like Arnold, fucking AJ. Thank you, Amin, for coming. Anton, Harry, Badas, Quartek. I don't think Quartek's here right now. Daywalker, Gia, man, just Marcus Tulit, Ezekiel, Sam. Thank you all for coming. I literally fucking love you guys. Cheers, Bright Projects. Cheers, brother. Yeah, man. Hopefully, when I get off, the charts start moving. Hopefully, when I get off, hopefully the charts start moving when they get out of here. When I get out of here, love to mess with you. A lot of people say it's funny messing with me. No, AJ. See you tomorrow, G. All right, boys. When I hop off the charts, hopefully this thing starts flying. Much love to everybody, boys. I'll see you boys tomorrow early. I will be here tomorrow early, 1 hour before 11 session. Boys, if you guys want to keep on talking to me, keep on talking in the Discord. Peace.
My brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all.
See ya.
I've just been so
see ya, boys.
Lonely, lonely, lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, this bad I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text to mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I might W first, I did how to sound. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, this bad I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text to mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new bitch. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, how you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just tryna make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me, yeah. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, this bad I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text to mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Surreal.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield. I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you. Tell me what you want.